We are live. The time has come. I think I have people on. I have people on stream. I think on chat already. Hang on. Let's double check that. Let us double check. Yeah, there's Flare Wolf already. Flare Wolf, welcome. Welcome. What's up? Welcome. I just want to make sure that the stream is fine and all that. So I have to rush to the other computer real quick. And can you hear me okay? Can everybody hear me okay? And the music and stuff? Can you hear the game audio? Or not? I'm talking to you, True. Are you dead?
Oh, you're talking to me?
Yeah.
Can I hit the game audio?
Can you hear me okay? Can you hear the game audio or anything like that?
Oh wait, let me check your stream.
No, I'm talking about through the headset. No, through your
Oh,
headset.
no, yeah, I hear everything fine, yeah.
Yeah, okay, that's good. I'm gonna check. I'll be right back. Just one
Okay.
teeny tiny second.
What's up, Dadaro? Voo, semiconductor. Oh, Steven's here too. Hi, Steven. JK. Hi, Steven. Have you been texting Matt? Is Matt still alive? After his chat stream. Let's play some Outbreak. Oh, I see V4 over there on Bloggy. Yeah, I don't think Matt's gonna respond anytime soon. He's gonna be passed out for like 15 hours, I think. Hey, Ali! Ali Kite Gamin's here. How you doing, Ali? We are just getting started. As in, we haven't started yet.
Okay, I'm back, baby.
There he is. There he is.
Varo's here. Welcome, Varo.
The man with a plan.
What's up? Are you guys ready to kick some butt? Okay, game to begin shortly. Game to begin shortly. Hang on. What? What's going on? It just started me on my own. What? No. No.
Oh yeah, I saw your thing for a second, and now the game went away.
What? No. I have to quit this again.
What happened?
I set it up so we can save time, but well, we have to do it again.
All right.
Would you like to create it real quick while I exit the?
Oh yeah, you're starting over. Yeah, I'll make it.
Yeah, I'm gonna quickly just skip the thing. Vloggy, where is everyone? They're coming, Hunter. They're coming. Give him a sec. Welcome to the stream, buddy. Welcome, everyone. Hang on, I'm gonna quit. Okay. But Vloggy is the man. It's so funny. What was I gonna say?
Oops.
So funny how the excitement in your voice. When there was when Stephen showed up on your chat, like, oh, there's Stephen.
Steven's here too.
Stephen's here too. Because I was just checking my stream when that happened. No.
Okay, I think. Wait. Which scenario?
It's called Hellfire.
Oh, that's.
And make sure
that's
it's
right.
easy,
I
buddy.
can't.
Oh, you
I
can't.
can't do it
Oh, that's
because
right. Yeah, that's right.
My stupid thing won't let me pick. I don't know. I'm gonna have to like reinstall the whole thing, and that's gonna like really screw it up a bit.
No, don't worry. I'll set it up. Don't worry. Maybe one of these days, maybe after we're done playing the game, I'll send you the file.
Yeah, I know, really.
Sorry.
Then I'll play it.
Okay, hang on. Exit.
All right.
Taking a sip.
If anybody was wondering, this is the exciting making the room part of Outbreak.
Area 1, getting information. They're vacant. The guys were playing earlier, they left, I think. I think they were done. They were playing Hellfire, actually.
Oh, that was them. Oh, I did see that one for a second.
Oh,
yeah.
you saw them. Okay. Okay, so difficulty level easy. The Hellfire, friendly fire. Okay, 4 players. Set it to 3 just in case. Finish. I don't know why that happened earlier. Okay, so now I'm in the lobby. Yes. Earlier, just started the game without the lobby. I don't know why.
I'm joining. All right, Semiconductor, we're starting. I swear.
Actually, we saved some time today because last time I had to log in and And
Yeah, we're actually faster than last time.
we're fast. We are efficient.
I am here. Wait, there's 3 people in this?
Oh no!
Did we get a random person?
I think we did.
Oh.
You know what? You know what? Let's do this. Let's do this.
All right.
Okay, you and me are a team. We don't know who the other one is. Okay, so you and me are a team. Okay, we leave him behind. We don't save him. If he's getting attacked, we just run away. This is gonna be hilarious.
This will be an experience. We got a random person. This is
Sorry.
the first time we've played with anybody else.
Oh, there he is. There he is. Eddie. It's
Look how many
Eddie.
points this guy has. He has like 200,000 points.
Oh, this is hilarious.
I think he's gonna leave us behind.
It's Eddie. I don't know who Eddie is. I don't know.
Eddie, which character is he? Is he like?
No, the username is Eddie. He's playing as the plumber.
Oh, the plumber. Okay.
Yeah, I know what this is. So funny. Okay, you and me are a team. Okay, sorry, Eddie, but it's thumbnail people only. Okay.
Dotaro, you paid $1,000 to watch this stream. Oof, you got scalped hard.
No, he didn't. I think he paid for the price. I think that's pretty much how much it goes for to watch us. Yeah.
That's what we're worth. I think so.
So funny. We're gonna play with a random guy. So cool.
Oh man.
Okay, if he's good, if we find out that he is good and he knows what he's doing, hey Shalashaska, what's up? Welcome to the stream. We're playing some Resident Evil Outbreak. Actually, this is Biohazard. It's just translated. Strictly speaking, it's Biohazard.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Okay, there's a third person with us. We don't know who he is, but if he knows what he's doing, okay, that's fine. We'll love him. But if he's just strolling around,
Yeah.
it's every man for himself. And by every man for himself, it's you and me versus him. Can you imagine if he's watching the stream? Hello, Eddie.
That would be funny. We're all talking this trash, like, screw this guy, and then he like wins the map for it.
Then he shows up on our stream and he goes, hey guys, I'm playing with you. And we're all nice to him now. Oh, it's you. We're just kidding, man. This is gonna be hilarious.
Dotaro, this is my stream. I don't have to get out of here.
Let's see.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh
Okay,
boy.
we're gonna be playing with an extra man now. So funny. Help me, please! There he is!
What happened?
There he is! There he is! Let's pick up the herb. Let's not give him any space to make any. They pick up the pipe already.
Go.
But at
Oh,
least
you
I
got
got
the
the
pipe, you
herb.
got the herb.
I think they have a gun though. Let's equip the gun, by the way.
Oh, that's right, yeah.
Is he gone already?
Yeah.
He's gone already.
He's already out of here.
Good.
He's
Let's
not
let's
waiting
lose
for
him.
us.
Let's lose him, and then maybe later we'll find him zombified. Oh, the game start.
Oh.
He's advancing already.
He set the cutscene, yeah.
Yeah, that's him. Look at him. He's staying up the game.
Oh, yeah.
That's good. I think he knows what he's doing then, because he's rushing.
Yeah, I guess.
Oh no, he's gonna. Oh my, he's gonna clean us out of the weapons. He's gonna take all the weapons.
Oh, it's true.
No.
What now?
This was supposed to be your scene. You're supposed
Don't know
to be
what
the
to
one
do.
picking up the hat. No
Oh,
way.
he's stealing all our glory.
I wonder if I can kick him. I don't want to kick him, but because it's fun for now.
Yeah, I don't know if you can even do that in the game.
If it's not
Like,
fun
during the
anymore,
game.
we'll kick him out. Let's go. Let's go because he's gonna try to run away from
I
us.
was just memorizing the map.
Yeah, okay. Memorize the map.
Memorized, and now I'm in here.
Kevin.
Is he gone already? Where is he?
Oh,
He's climbing up the ladder already. We don't need the tag, remember?
You-
We don't need to pick up the tag.
Oh yeah,
You don't know what to do. Thank
I'm
you.
gonna climb up your butt here.
Help me, please. Good. Help! Help me, please.
Ooh, you better force feed your puppy if he's not eating.
Juan Pablo likes cereal. Welcome, Juan Pablo. Welcome to the stream, buddy. Welcome.
That's a random statement, but yes.
Man, I just had an idea for a sub alert. Welcome. That's good. That's good. Welcome. I never managed to get sub alerts to work. Never. And I have an awesome sub alert. Oops, I hear them already.
Oh boy.
Oh, he's giving me something. He's giving me something. Take it, Joe. Take it. He's offering something.
Okay.
He gave you a gun.
Oh, he gave me a
Oh,
handgun.
okay. Okay, this guy's playing cool. Okay.
Okay, he's a nice guy. All right.
Okay, that's
All
cool.
three of us running down the hallway here.
That's cool. That's cool.
That's funny.
And it's comforting to know that it's not AIs. You know, it's actually people playing. That's good. That's good.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay, now where to? This guy looks like this is a dead end for sure.
Oh yeah. Why?
Now,
Which one is there?
okay, there's a room here. Let's check it out real quick.
Step aside.
Oh yeah.
Me neither, Shalashaska.
Oh, that's.
Me neither, Shalashaska. I never. I don't think I ever finished this game. I think I just browsed through the. Oh, oh, oh.
Oh no! Got him! Ah!
You know what he's doing, this guy.
Ah.
Look at him.
Oh wow!
I don't know how you do that. Oh, he's gone.
Steven, Matt,
He's gone.
Matt needs a half gallon of vodka before he starts to talk.
Oh, poor Matt.
Yeah, Matt's not very talkative.
Oh, somebody's
He
offering
gets,
something again. This guy knows what he's doing. He's
Oh,
giving
yeah.
me. What's he giving me? A red herb. I'll take that. Yes, thank you very much. I'll mix it.
Thank you.
Combine. Oh, he thanks him. That's nice.
Thank you.
Okay, I thank him too. I think there's something on the door here as well. He's going to check it out. I'll just hang out here.
Oh, the bathroom, yeah. Oh yeah, there's. I think
Thanks.
there might have been a pipe in there or something.
You wanna? I'm tempted to actually leave him
Come
behind.
on.
Let's just leave him. But no, he's being nice. He's being nice actually. I don't wanna do that.
Yeah, he's not being a d-bag. Oh yeah. Now we have to go outside. This is where all the madness happened the last time.
Juan Pablo's asking, when does this game happen in continuity? Kind of like whether it's canon, whether it's part of the story. This happens at the very beginning. Pick up the herb real quick. Pick up the herb real quick.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, in the meantime.
Oh, you have
I'm
a red herb though.
Yes, pick up the herb, so... It's us first, even though he's being nice, but we're gonna have to be careful. Uh-oh, no, we need to wait. There we go.
Oh, there goes that zombie.
Are you on the wall as
Yeah.
well? Are you on the wall?
I'm on the wall.
Thanks.
I'm on the wall.
Yeah, I see your leg now, I see your leg. Hey, Bioshock! Welcome everyone to the stream. Yeah, so this happens right before, hang on, I need to wait for the fire. Oh,
Oh yeah.
is the fire not? Okay, fire happening.
Oh,
Move
get
now.
exploded off.
He's moving way too close to me. I think he's gonna get the fire. He's gonna get the fire. Oh, there he is!
Oh, yeah.
He can actually move like that. Actually, I think I can do the same. Hang on. No, I don't. I don't know why.
Mark,
I called your name. I called your name. I don't know how.
hold on.
You did?
Yeah, I just
Please
said
help.
Mark.
Oh yeah,
Press
that's right. I did hear it. I don't know how you
Go.
did.
So yeah, the game happens at the very, very beginning of the outbreak. This is very, very early in the outbreak. Very, very early. To answer your question.
Oh,
one.
Boo! This is the Japanese version of Outbreak because that's the only version you can play online. But the people, I don't know, did whatever magical stuff they had to do to make it play online. You can't play the English version online.
Exactly. True knows. Hello, Vloggy from the other side. Dada's like hello from the other side. That's so cool. Dadaru Mimi.
Steven tried to call Matt. Matt ain't awake. Matt's
the best
phone's dead.
Oh.
His phone died on stream, like it died live on
Okay.
stream. So
It's like this Eddie knows where he's going. Look at him! Look at him! Wow!
I'm not even in the room yet.
He's just whacking
Oh
the
hey
zombie.
Chase, what's up Chase? Oh wow, yeah,
He's whacking. He knows what he's doing.
yeah. This guy's. Well, he has 200,000 points, so I guess he's probably played this quite a few times.
No, but that doesn't make that doesn't count as anything because my save file gives me a lot of points, but it doesn't mean that. He's
That's
so
true.
good. He's so good. He's just kicking. Okay, I'm just gonna follow him. He knows what he's doing. Let's
Yeah,
go.
I know. Let's just go.
And the main reason why I'm following him the most is
Kevin.
Oh, my
There you
character
go.
just
This
said
is it.
Kevin.
yeah.
Kevin.
I didn't even make him do that.
Thanks.
I haven't pressed any buttons.
Come on. Come on.
Oh, he's offering
Oh, he's
something.
saying-
Yeah, he's offering something. Take it.
Okay, I got it. 45 auto rounds. So I can't use that. That's you, I think. That's for you.
Really? Okay.
I think that's what your handgun uses.
Then I found the red ones. Who uses the red ones?
Where?
I'm where's that? Do you want to try them on your gun just in case?
Let me see.
Mark.
Oh yeah, I can use those.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's good. Okay, that's good. Okay, anything else in this locker? There's something shiny here. Hang on, what's this? Oh, it's a newspaper. Look at him! Look what he did! He just combined the weapon, his pipe with a battery.
What the? Oh, that's what the battery's for?
Whoa, that's so awesome!
Oh, this guy. I think he's played this before.
Yeah, he knows what he's doing. Okay, I don't know if this is gonna suck the fun out of the game, but it's okay. I guess.
Yeah, I'll give it a shot. When we play another one, we'll have to play by ourselves, so it's not totally
Yeah,
ruined by them. Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm doing good, Chase. Just playing a little Outbreak.
Hey, Semi, welcome,
Hey.
buddy. It's a very casual stream. It was a very casual stream. Oh, wow.
Somebody help.
Look,
he
picked up
he
an arm.
did just say my name, Drew.
Help!
He said Bloggy's character's name.
Excellent. Go now.
Oh,
Excellent.
I'm trying to see if I can say your name again, but... Say my name.
yeah, I don't.
Oh, let's
I
help
get
him out.
it.
Thank you.
He probably thinks we're noobs. We're shooting at zombies because he's so good.
I know. He's like, I just melee all the zombies to death.
It's true, he's good. Let's go. Yeah. Oh, fact, I am not wearing any pants, by the way.
Oh yeah,
I
not a
am
real.
not
Apparently.
wearing-
He's giving me your pants. I guess he stole
Oh,
them.
oh.
Yeesh.
He was offering something. Hang on, he's offering something. What's he doing?
Okay.
No, but he took it again. He took it back. I think.
Here's
Shotgun
a-
rounds. I found
here's a-
shotgun rounds.
Oh,
He's
I
really
got
not.
a-
He's really not hogging all the items, huh?
Yeah, he's like giving us all.
Yeah, he knows what he's doing. Oh, I got the shotgun rounds for later.
Okay, nice.
What about this door? Is it the one we came from?
He just went in there. I don't know where that goes though.
And we should know because we played the game twice already. Oh, this is the part.
Yeah, we should.
Oh, there's a first aid spray. Pick it up.
Oh yeah.
There's a security card key. I don't know if he picked it up already, so I'm gonna take it just in case. I'm assuming he did,
Okay.
but
Yeah, he
it's a bent iron pipe. He threw this on the floor.
Yeah, he put that there. Okay. Oh boy, he's already out the door. He is. I think he's gonna be leaving us behind.
It's true. Oh my goodness. You already following him? Because I'm alone.
Yeah, he's already in the
Okay.
main hallway, or past. Actually, I don't even see him in the hallway now.
I hope he doesn't think we're pros at this. It's so funny. Eddie, who
Oh,
are
yeah,
you?
there he is.
Oh, check out our stream, Eddie.
Oh, he's waiting for us.
Oh, he's waiting for us.
Thank you.
Oh, I think he's frozen. Let's
Wow.
go. Let's go.
We have to go. Thank you.
Oh, he's like pointing at the map. What's he doing?
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. This game doesn't. Yeah. I mean, you could say it happens between RE1, RE2, but it's closer to RE2. Very, very, very close to. I would say like a couple of hours before RE2, like 2 or 3 hours before.
Yeah.
Actually, you know what? I'd say a couple of hours during or before RE. Oh, where are you? Okay, there you are. I was worried.
Yes.
Hang on. You wanna do the dance for him? You wanna do the dance for him?
Come on.
Where is
Oh
he?
wait, how do we do the dance?
Hang on.
Up.
Oh, look at him! He opened the door already.
Oh.
Let's do
Wait,
the dance
where?
for him.
Where?
Let's do the dance for him.
Oh, hold on. Oh, I forgot how to do the dance.
You press back and the back button.
Find anything new?
Oh, I forgot how to do it. Oh, are we breaking?
Go
it?
now.
No, the door is open. We can actually open it. I don't know why I know what he's doing. Hey, Chase, welcome.
Row. That lion's long gone.
Look how loyal Chase is. He's like, I'm over at True Stream, but I wanted to drop by here to give my support. You see what a good guy he is? Chase is awesome.
Showing all that love.
Where are we here? What's this?
I don't know.
Have we been here? We've never been
What?
here. Right?
I don't remember this area. Is this the door he unlocked?
No. The one he unlocked was with a key card. Let's check out this place here real quick. We lost him, huh?
Oh yeah. Now
Hang on.
we're fine.
No. We came from here, right? No, we came
Oh,
from
is
here.
this-
Yeah.
Oh,
we
it's
came from here.
the
Let's
it's the
get
walkway.
out.
Yeah.
We're such noobs. He's probably wondering, like, where? Right now, it's probably when he realizes that we suck at this game.
Yeah. He's like, where are those idiots going? No, Row. That poster is long gone.
Hey, True, I was gonna say. Hey, Cat, welcome to the stream. Cat is here. Cat X is here.
Cat X, what up, Cat?
Oh, he's shooting zombies. Oh,
That was me.
that's nice.
Oh, I thought
Okay.
that was zombie, but yeah.
Oh,
Still alive.
yeah,
Thank you.
okay. Wow, this guy's good, huh?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so I think this is the way we need to go.
Wait.
Well, he just ran off the other way.
Oh, it's okay. But I think this is the right
He might
way.
have. He might have gone in here and done whatever had to be done while we were outside being
Oh,
lost.
I've never been in this room, actually. Do you remember being in this room?
Ooh, no, I do not.
It's about an escape
Neither.
ladder. But I was too lazy to read it. We'll see later.
Oh, there's more there's more shotgun rounds here if you want to take them. That way you can just combine them.
I've got a first aid spray here, but you seem to be full on stuff. So I'll take the shotgun rounds.
Yeah, they're over
I
here
can
in the
combine
corner.
them. Yeah, I can combine those. on. This room is bigger than I thought. Hang on. There's actually a corner here. What's this? There's a small hole in the statue bust. There seems to be some trick at work here. Interesting. Can I push the statue? Something's not right here. I think there's a puzzle here, and I think that's where Eddie went. Something's not right here. I think there's a puzzle here.
There's a door back here.
It's 20 minutes after midnight, so it's morning here. Thank you, one, and hello, bye, Shock. At the time here is 7:22 a.m. Oh, I'm following you.
Oh, I don't know where. I just unlocked this door. Apparently, I guess it was.
Was it locked? Okay.
It was locked from the other side. So,
Oh, okay.
I don't know.
I think we lost Eddie.
Oh yeah. Oh, I remember this area.
Do you?
We couldn't get in this door.
Oh! Whoa! Ah!
Get off him. Get off him.
Thank you.
Oh, there's a zombie trying to come in that door. Ah,
Yeah, run through, run!
Oh!
Where's the auto aim? Why is it not? Okay. How does he do that? How does he aim? How does he do that? I don't know how he does it. Let's see what's behind this door actually. Are you still there?
Me?
Okay, yeah. You went quiet like that. I worry. Oh, remember these stairs?
Oh yes.
There's fire down here. There's no way. Hang on. Is there any way we can go down here? Actually, we can. Where does this lead?
Oh yeah. Ow!
You okay, buddy? Oh, there's a zombie crawling here. Whoa! He's climbing up the. Well, be careful.
Oh.
Be careful.
Yeah, I see him.
Yeah, I don't want to do that. Oh, no. Okay, let's deal with it. Where does this stair? Oh, remember this room?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so what do we do here?
Oh, I think we crawl under this.
Yeah. I'm confused now.
Yeah. We're off in a way different area. Oh, what up, TEDxy over here now? No, this isn't Nico Para. This isn't your weird cat dating sim game.
Oh, ouch.
Oh, ow. All that.
Shotgun round. Awesome. I have a lot of rounds now.
Oh,
How many
you're
do I have?
loaded
I
up
have-
my shotgun on.
Oh, wow.
You can combine those.
28. I can't actually combine them. How cheap. How cheap. I have a stack of 28 and a stack of 14. I can't combine them. It's not even
Oh!
that big of a number. Let's go.
No, I thought it was unlimited because I've had like 80 bullets in one stack.
Eddie's gone. I have no idea where Eddie is.
Yeah, Eddie is, he's probably like beating the level right now.
Be careful of that zombie on the floor.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Get off. Bad drop. Bad.
How am I health wise? I'm on stuff. Oh, fine. That's good.
Oh, nope, there's a shotgun right there.
Where? Oh, hang on.
Look.
He's getting up. I think.
Ow!
Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna leave. Okay, I'm not gonna leave anything actually. Never mind. There's nothing here then. It's a dead end here.
This door, right?
That's the door we came from. Or not? Oh, that's.
No. We came from the other end of the hallway, right?
Um,
Didn't we? Or am I
no.
crazy?
No. This is the door we came from. I think.
Oh.
Right?
Uh.
I'm confused now.
Yeah, you're right. I'm
Yeah.
crazy.
So we need to go back underneath the stairs and we start climbing up. Let's go.
Oh yeah. No,
Look at us.
I
We
don't.
combined
think.
into one person.
Oh yeah, we did. Wow, that's teamwork right there.
Fusion.
Crawling in each other.
this
Ooh,
door?
we got close.
This one's door, but it's flimsy. Let's destroy it.
Oh yeah, hold on. I have to unequip my gun. It's like a shoulder bash. Ah! Whoop. Ah! Go fast security guy.
What if I unequip my gun as well? Let's see if I unequip my gun. Can I do the same thing? Oh, okay, I can do the same thing as well.
Oh, how do you kick? Why can't my character kick?
I heard the door open, but it wasn't ours. I heard the door open.
I did hear that too, actually.
Come on! Come on! Faster! I heard the door open, and I think... Oh, we did it!
Oh, wait. Ah, whoa! What the hell?
What happened?
We did. Oh, I thought a zombie was coming in, so I was like freaking out. As we're trying to break in, a zombie just comes out the other way.
Oh, man. What's going on? Oh, there he is! There he is! Our buddy!
Hey!
Oh, he's offering stuff. Take it. Oh.
I'll take it.
Watch out!
Ah!
He's good. This guy's good. I'm gonna quit my shotgun now.
Oh, nice.
Actually, you know what? No. I'm gonna save my shotgun for the boss. This guy's good. What's in here?
Mark!
Mark.
Oh, he's trying to give me something.
Yeah.
I don't know what
I
he's
don't know
trying
how
to
you
give
call
me.
names. I don't know how you call names.
I don't know how he does it either. Oh, he's trying to give me a shotgun.
Oh wow, this
yeah.
guy's nice.
Thank you so much.
No, I said
Thank you.
Yeah, if you do this, he's
Thanks. Please help!
You didn't say
Miko
help me please
Bellic.
yet. You didn't say help me please.
Help me, please!
I love it. There's
True,
number 1
I'm
Finland. Do you want to
waiting.
switch it? Nothing's happening.
Ah!
There's-
Stop me in the hallway, I'm running.
There's a puzzle here. There's a puzzle here. Okay, I don't like puzzles.
Am I what, Dadaro? I don't. What are you saying? Am I what?
Number 1
Hey,
Finland. There's
yeah.
a switch underneath. Do you switch? No.
I don't think we're in the same room. Did you follow him? I followed him.
No, I went into another room. There's a bedroom here and there's a switch on the wall. Oh, the door looks flimsy. Okay, I'm gonna try to open the door again. I'm gonna shoot another one. Uh-oh.
He's got a key. I think it's the key to that safe, right? Okay, I'm coming back into the hallway.
Yeah, I'm trying to open this door because there's a puzzle here and there's a locked door. I'm trying to kick it down.
Oh, okay. I'll come over there. Ah!
Thanks.
Okay.
I think you're right behind. I think you're very close because I just heard someone's voice.
Are you in 103?
I don't know what number this is. I'm in a room. I don't know.
Let's see. We just opened our door into.
If I yell, open up the map, and I'm gonna yell.
Excellent. Help me,
Uh,
please! Yes. Help!
Oh,
Somebody's-
you're in the room
Come
next
on,
to us.
Please
Yeah, that's why I
help!
keep hearing yes. I keep someone.
yeah,
So you're with him. You're with the other guy, yeah?
yeah. We're in the room right next to you.
That's all right. Just trying to get this door open. Maybe there's some goodies in here. We'll see.
Kevin.
Come on, open.
Help me, please! Kevin.
Somebody's
Oh.
calling my name. Did you call my name?
Yeah, No, wasn't me. I don't know.
How do you call names? How do
It
you-
was my character's voice, but I don't know how he's doing that. Because we
All right,
didn't
I
do
just
that
opened
last
this door.
Kevin.
Okay, I opened this door finally. There's
Okay,
grenade
here we are.
rounds. There's grenade rounds.
Ooh.
What iron does he have? Oh, he's still with this.
He's got like his melee thing and like.
Do you have enough room to carry the grenade rounds? Because I think you're gonna need them later.
What? Oh, actually, I do because I'm about to
I'll
run out
take
of
it.
bullets here.
Oh, David needs shotguns to hand over. Oh, I'll give him. Hang on. I'll give him some shotgun rounds, David. He was being nice. Present. I'll give him the small stack. I gave him the small stack. Actually, why did he ask me for shotgun
Thanks.
shells if he doesn't... Oh, does he have it? Oh, we don't know his equipped weapon, what it is. Come pick up the...
This is Mark.
Ah, he took them from me so he can give them to you. How nice.
Oh.
He's so
Okay.
nice. Okay, but there's the grenade rounds. I suggest somebody pick them
Yeah.
up because they're good.
He's got two. Oh no, that's you with two empty spots. I have
Oh
two
yeah, I'll
first
pick them
aids
up.
with
Yeah, I'll
that.
pick them up. Why did I? Yeah, I'm gonna pick. I'll hold them up. I'll hold them for you. Yeah, that's fine. Don't worry. I'll hold them for you. Why did I expect you to pick them up? I'm very. Let's
Oh wait,
go. Oh,
what was
you
that
left the
on
room?
ta- What was
Oh,
that on
you
the
see.
table here? Something was sparkly.
Maybe a puzzle. Maybe a
Oh,
file.
it's
Yeah.
it's a memo.
There's a puzzle here. There's a puzzle here. I don't know what it is. It says.
Oh, whoops! I just left.
I don't think the Finland thing was glowing earlier. I don't know. I think he's doing all the puzzles for us, and as fun as it is, like running around and stuff, but I don't think we're doing anything. We're just following.
Yeah, I
him.
know. Oh, whoa! There's two of them. So go left. Go left. There's multiple zombies.
Where is he? Where'd he go?
I have no idea.
Okay, I think we need to go this way actually.
Okay, turn around.
That door just opened. I think it was him. Oh, he got me. Son of a biscuit. I'm gonna have this one.
Oh, this guy's still up.
You've raided this room already, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So, what about this one? Did you go this one?
Yeah, he was in there before me.
Okay, so...
He was-
Oh, there's stairs
Oh.
up here. Let's see what's up here. Don't stand close to the windows, okay?
Oh yeah. Ooh, windows.
Windows. Oh, there's something on the floor.
Experience.
There's something on the floor here. I don't know what they are. Let's see.
Is that around?
Oh, 45 other rounds. I'll take these actually because I can
Oh yeah,
combine
that's yours.
them.
Yeah.
Combine. Yeah. Did you know you can actually? I don't know if it's this game. Can you walk?
Move
Oh,
it!
oh,
Go now!
there he is.
He's up there.
Yeah. Oh,
Move!
he's telling us to follow him.
Mark!
I just called your name.
Move!
Oh,
Mark! Dave!
oh yeah.
Oh, okay. I know how to call out names. Okay. I figured it out. But in my controller, where are you guys? I can hear the shots, but I.
Go up the hallway and make
Oh,
a
there
right
you are.
and then
There
a
you are.
left.
Okay.
You
If you
went-
hold R2, no, L2. Do you have an L2 on your controller?
Yeah, I got one and L2.
Hold your L2, and then you press up.
Okay. Oh, he just left.
Yeah, he just left, but it's fine. Let's explore the room anyway.
L2 and
Oh,
up.
L2.
No,
Mark!
doesn't,
Uh-huh.
doesn't do anything for me.
Yes. Yes. Uh-huh. David!
That's right, Ali. Every zombie gets a bullet, even if I run out of rounds. They probably will.
This is part of the puzzle. I don't know what's going on here. Like,
Oops.
number
oh,
4,
damn it.
Spain.
I just left the room. I didn't mean to.
I think I'm undoing this puzzle. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong.
Are you pressing something?
Yeah, I'm pressing. Oh, this door is flimsy. I'm gonna check out this door because there's a bathroom door there.
Okay.
again.
I'm coming back in. Oh, he's in the room next to us. I just saw him walk out.
I don't know what he's
All right,
doing.
Dotaro, gonna stick around another 30 minutes. What's up, Dada? I don't know. He must know something.
Yeah.
How do you get?
I hold the aim button, and then I press X. You know,
Oops.
okay. You know how you know how to do the dance?
Oh,
Your
that's
quick
right.
turn.
Because my character just walks.
Oh, that's right. Yeah. That's a special feature, probably. That's a special attack, kind of.
Hey, semiconductor. I am
Bioshock's gonna
doing
call it a night.
good.
Thank you so much for stopping by, buddy. Thank you so much. It's nice
See you,
having you here.
Bioshock.
You have a good night.
How you doing, semiconductor? We're just breaking into a door here.
I love this so much about this game that you can actually break down doors because it
Yeah.
always bothered me. Like, come on, it's the end of the world, you know, and zombies. Looking out for keys is the last thing I want to do to open a door right now, you know, and nothing suspicious about the backup. Seriously, we wasted all this time for nothing?
Oh, there's antivirus here.
Yeah, let's share them before he realizes that. How many are there?
I think. Let me see. Oh, well, now it's the first aid spray that I put down. No, it was just one.
Okay.
What percentage are you at?
Here's what we're gonna do. Oh, I'm on caution actually. Wow, and I don't have a healing item. Hold on. I'm gonna heal up.
Okay.
Oh, I healed up. I used that first aid spray on the floor. Okay, you take the antivirus pill to make some room, and at least it slows down your infection.
Yeah. All right. So we got room now. I guess we can go. Nothing else in here. Nice. Semiconductor is enjoying the stream. That's what I like to hear.
That's what we like to hear.
We're here for a
That's-
good time.
That's the point of these streams, to make people laugh. That you know that's what I go for when I stream. Try to make people laugh.
There you go.
with
Oh,
my
Bioshock.
lame
I kept calling him Bioshock. It's Bioshock.
Bioshock.
Bioshock, he pops up in here. Hey, take
Whoa,
care,
whoa, whoa,
Bioshock.
whoa, whoa, whoa! That door just opened. Hold on. Oh, a zombie came
that
out.
was a zombie.
Hang on. Leave it up to me. Let me handle this. Oh wow, perfect.
Ah,
Sorry.
oh, damn, I'm trying to go.
He
That's
said,
my fault,
"Let me."
that's my fault.
I'm like, "Let me handle this," and
Please
took me
help!
forever to shoot.
Please help me!
Please help.
I
That's
was
not the
trying
one.
to get my gun out.
We
Fail.
lost him. We lost Eddie.
Oh, yeah, he's long gone. Oh, this is that door we came from.
Yeah. So maybe this one.
He was in here. I saw him come out of here.
Alright, let's
So
go
he's
on
probably
that.
not in here.
So
Oh, this is
funny.
stairs.
Oh yeah. So we
Maybe-
keep
maybe-
going up then. Perhaps I don't know.
Oh, okay.
But there's a puzzle. I think he's doing the puzzle. There's pictures, frames with countries like Finland and Spain. Oh wait, let's head up. And there's a switch underneath. You press it and nothing happens. But now all of a sudden the words Finland and Spain, name of the country, is actually lit. So something's happening. Yeah, I think he's doing something. What about this door? Is this a door?
Oh, was there another door?
Some may have collected. No, some may have collected. What does it say? Oh, it's just the pictures. Yeah. Some may have collected pictures. I have no idea how valuable they are. Blah blah blah. Oh, it's the third floor. So this is the highest
Zombie.
floor. I'm coming. Eppelin Square. Oh, we're in Eppelin.
Okay, I'm down to shotgun.
You found the shotgun?
No, I'm down to shotgun. I ran out of handgun.
Oh, oh,
Oh, that zombie's not dead.
leave it up to me. Let me handle
Get
it.
him. What? Damn it! I did not mean to
Overkill.
fire. What a waste. Waste of a bullet.
Let's check out this door.
Oh, I hear a liquor.
Yeah, I hear liquors too. I don't like that. Ooh, nice room. What's in here? What's this?
Oh, there's that.
Shotgun
oh,
rounds.
there's
Take the
zombie over
shotgun
here.
rounds. There's shotgun rounds. I'll have the zombie. It's fine. Take the shotgun rounds
Okay. Where are they?
on the table.
Okay. Yeah.
What about me? Hang on. Let me combine these. Since you already have a healing item, I'm gonna take the herb.
Oh yeah. I guess he wasn't in here, or he just didn't need any of this stuff.
Oh, hang on.
Oh, here's that. Here's
yeah,
that wall.
that's the wall. How do you crack it open? How do you?
Just beat it.
Beat it. Beat it with your hand.
Just. oh yeah. Beat it like I owe you money.
That's what you said. Oh, is that it? That's so
that's
good.
it.
So he didn't make it this far for sure.
I guess not, or he didn't care. I don't know. Because this has the grenade launcher in it. Yeah.
Okay, let's go get the grenade launcher. Well, for you, I have your rounds if you want.
Oh, that's right.
There's the people here.
I guess-
Oh, there it is.
guess I'll
There's the
grab
grenade
that.
launcher. Pick it up. I'll watch the zombie closely just in case she decides to make a move.
Launcher. Okay.
Or-
Oh, actually, I think if you give me here, I'll trade you the shotgun for the thing, and I should be able to combine the acid into this, so it'll just open a slot for us.
Hang on.
So-
Yeah, I know what you mean. Yeah. So the gun is empty.
No. It has acid rounds, but I think I can combine more acid rounds.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay. You did
yeah,
it.
so
Okay,
now
so
it's
I can
just-
give you back your
so now we-
shotgun now. Hang on, I can give you your
Yeah.
shells. So, present. There's a stack of 28 and 27. I don't know which one was yours. I'm giving you the one for 27.
Oh, okay.
That's how I roll. Okay, so there's nothing here. I think the door's jammed here. Oh, I locked it. I unlocked this door. Ooh, let's go.
Nice. Oh, Alley Cat's gonna stream tonight. What are you gonna stream, Alley? Is it gonna be that dinosaur killing game?
Dino
Kill
Crisis.
some more dinosaurs.
Dino
No,
Crisis.
she was playing Ark.
Oh, Ark. I want to get Ark. But...
Yeah, I think you were showing me that a while back.
I want to get Ark, but... Oh! Liquor!
Where are you? Oh! He's fighting it! I ran away like a coward!
That's okay, he's done. It only took 2
Nice.
shots or something.
Oh, nice.
What about
we
here?
even go
Is there
this
anything here? No. So we just wasted our time.
Oh, how do you even get there?
What about this? This is what? Have we been here? No.
Okay. I think we came up this way, didn't we?
No.
This goes down, right?
Yeah, but it's not the same stairs. It's not the same
Oh.
set of stairs. No, it's different. I think. I don't know. I could be wrong. Oh, they look different, these stairs. These stairs look different. No, they're...
I guess they do.
Wait a minute.
well,
we
I
haven't been here for sure. I don't know. Watch out.
Oh, did somebody just go in there?
No, he came from that door, actually.
A zombie?
Yeah, the zombie came from that door. That's why it was open.
Oh.
Let's check out this door.
Okay.
I don't know. I'm lost. I don't know if... Room 204. Have we been in room 204?
I want to say yes.
Let's see. No, we haven't been in this room. Definitely not. No.
Oh,
This
yeah,
is
no,
the
no, we
puzzle.
haven't.
This is the... this
I
is
remember this room, but we didn't be not on this run.
All the lights are turned on. Oh, okay. He's been here.
Oh,
He's
he
been
did
here.
that.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, there's something here. Gold key. I found the gold key. I'll take it just in case. I don't know what it does. There's something here.
Nice.
He's way ahead of us, huh? What's this?
Oh yeah, Allie's gonna play Ark. Allie likes to play survival games.
Yeah, I love survival games as well. But the thing with Ark is I don't know, I have a funny feeling that it's unfinished, the game. I'm not so sure. Oh, there's a shotgun
Is
here.
it another one? I
Yeah.
don't think we need that.
No, we don't. No. And I'm starting to think that maybe he dropped it.
Yeah, sure.
I'm gonna check this room real quick.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there's
Right,
an herb
master.
here. There's a red herb, but I don't think I can have it. Oh, yes, I think I can. Hang on.
Oh yeah, just switch it out and
I'm
find
gonna
that up.
combine.
Yeah.
No, not present. Combine. Now pick up the key again. Okay. I don't. So you see, so we haven't been here. Definitely. Let's
He
get
probably
out.
has, but we haven't been here.
Yeah, he's probably finished the game already or something.
I know, he's already left the map.
Let's call him.
Alright, I'm gonna head.
Let's call him.
Can we?
Yeah, he can call out names, remember?
Oh yeah. Oh wait, you can. I still don't know how I do
Hold L2.
that. Okay,
Network
I'm holding
error. Oh
L2.
no.
No. Oh.
What about you? Oh, I got kicked out. And we're all dead now. What the what? Are you still in the game?
Yeah, I'm still here.
No.
Let me see if he's still here.
Why did it say network error? I can't join, can I? Well, wait a minute. If I'm hosting the game, how come I am out of it now? I was the one
Yeah,
hosting.
that doesn't make sense.
That's very strange. Oh no, not this again. Press any button to continue.
Man, we have the worst luck with this map.
Yeah.
Maybe we should skip this map. I don't know. This is like the third time
Mm.
something horrible's happened with this map.
Oh man. So you're still playing, yeah?
Yeah, I'm still here. I don't think he's here though. I don't see him on the map.
Dang it. For a second, I had a blonde moment. I was gonna say, let me see if I'm still online. Maybe it's from my end, but I just realized I'm still on the phone with you, so...
Yeah.
I'm still on Discord with you, so it's not my connection.
Still working. Technical difficulties, people. Everybody calm down.
I think my game crashed.
Dang, now he's got 215 hours on Ark. Jesus. Jesus.
My game crashed completely.
Oh, damn. Alright.
Mine. That's strange. Why does this always happen? Do I reset? It's like... Dang it! It's not the controller, is it? Because last time it was the controller. Hang on, let me reset. Let me reset. There's nothing to do. Reset.
Your game just disconnected.
I hate this.
Man.
So you're still playing, yeah? Did you manage to find Eddie?
I exited out.
Oh, you
Screw
quit
it.
as well. Oh, okay.
Yeah, we're gonna have to start over anyway.
No, the controller's fine this time. Okay, I guess we're doing it without Eddie. He knew what we were doing. He was doing. He was.
Sorry, Eddie.
Sorry, Eddie. He thinks we quit on him or something.
I know.
I'm gonna put the headset down just to make sure that the stream is running fine still. Be right back.
Okay. Oh man. Well, it's already 12:45 for you, Ali. When are you gonna stream? You gonna start up pretty soon?
We're back. Okay, I'm back.
What about?
We're back. Okay, single player, network play. Let's see if this still is going. Network play. Next. Yes. Do I have to log in again? Do I have to log in again?
Oh yeah.
Do I really?
Were you logged into the forum?
Not
Did
the
it work?
forum, no. Previous connection. No, I don't feel like logging in again. It's okay.
It worked for me. So the forum.
We'll see. We'll give the scenario one more try. If something else happens, we'll just skip it. What do you say?
Alright.
Or do you want to just skip it right
Yeah.
away?
We can give it one more go. I mean,
can
I
give
do
it one.
want to beat it. It's just
Yeah.
frustrating that everything wrong happens on this level.
Yeah. I hate it. Alright, I'm logging in again. What can you do?
All right.
and now I'm switching off my stream. And should be okay now. Let's see.
Bro, you crazy.
Enter lobbies. Okay, we got this again.
You got it?
I think. I hope.
Maybe. Maybe kind of, sort of.
Juan Pablo's lurking. What's this? I got an error. What's this? SSL. No, what's this? What the what? Never seen this error before. No. Not this. I'm getting a Chinese error. I don't know what it says.
Oh, great.
I kid you not. Okay, now it's loading again. Let's see.
Let me see. I'm trying to watch your stream. I don't think it's reached where you are yet.
It's a weird error. Weird Chinese error. Or Japanese. I'm saying Chinese. A Japanese probably. Okay, now it's in.
Oh, yeah.
Now it's locked me in. Now it's
You're
locked.
in? Nice.
Yeah, I'm in. Okay. Maybe the servers are unstable, but again, if the servers were unstable, it would kick just both of us out, not just me. Why me?
Yeah, I know.
Why couldn't you
Why is
kick
it
Eddie out?
targeting you? Oh yeah, I see that area you're talking about. Oh man, that sucks. Man, always something crazy with this game.
Alright, room list. I'm gonna quickly set up a room again.
All right. Not as high on life.
Let's just give this
Possibly
scenario one
drugs.
more try, and that's it. I mean, we'll skip. We'll move over.
Yeah. How many scenarios are in the first game? In the first
five.
file.
Five. We finished. How many did we finish? We finished 3, yeah? Yes, we finished 3.
This is the fourth.
This is the 4th one, yeah.
This is 3. Did we do 3? What's
We did
the hospital?
We did the outbreak. We did the one in the Umbrella Labs, and then we did the one in the hospital.
Oh yeah. That's right. That's right. Forgot the umbrella labs. Yeah. Well, we got split up in the same air shaft somehow.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, I set up the room again.
All right. Oh yeah, there it is.
I called it True! Like, hey no!
True weight.
True weight!
All right, I am ready.
Ready. Start
We
game.
don't have any mystery people joining us this time.
You know that's why I left the slot, because I miss Eddie. I miss Eddie.
Poor Eddie. Eddie, he tried.
He was leading us. Now we're gonna be slower without him, I think. We'll see.
We'll see. I mean, we know the layout, but I guess we have to figure out that puzzle. I don't even know what it does.
Oh yeah.
That geography puzzle.
Yeah. Well, I know Europe, so I can help you with that, but I don't know what we need to do still.
Yeah, I know. I don't know our goal. Like, okay, that's a country. Then what?
Okay, let's get the
Okay.
cutscene now.
Cutscenes.
And we start running now.
Yeah, I know.
There's no need for us to hang around. We know the room. I mean, we know the rooms, more or less. Let's go.
Yeah. Herb.
Very selfish, I could have Europe. No, but you can have it if you need. Let's go.
Alright, let's go.
Oh yeah, the cutscene again. You do it because it's your thing.
We're gonna skip it anyway.
Yeah, it's true. Yeah, you
Actually, we don't even need to actually do it, do we? We can just skip it. We can just go. It only triggers if we actually talk to the firefighter, right? I mean, do we have to do it?
I don't know. Let's
Yeah,
not do it.
look.
Let's see what happens.
That's true. Not do it.
Let's
It's
not
like,
do it, see
we
what
get to the end. We get to the end. It's like you lose. You should have talked to that dead firefighter.
No! I would rage quit.
Damn it. Oh yeah, definitely rage quit.
There's nothing here. I miss Eddie.
Oh, poor
Oh
Eddie.
no! The voice from the radio bothers me. I shouldn't leave it here.
Oh, of course. Okay, I'll go do it.
Okay.
Really something. Oh.
No, I shot by mistake. Yeah, I didn't mean to alarm you.
Like the firefighter's a zombie. Ah,
And there's the cutscene.
ah. Firefighters get blown up. Too bad for them.
It's survival of the fittest.
That row ain't done
Or-
drugs since high school.
Or in your
Good
character's
job.
case, survival of the fattest. Ha!
Oh, that mean pun. Oh, oh.
Oh man, I got attacked by a zombie.
Damn it. Oh, I didn't even put my handgun yet.
Go now.
Equip your handgun, equip your handgun, equip your handgun.
I'm just going to the rooms real quick to see if there's anything. Oh, I miss Eddie now.
there's- I know. Oh, here's another handgun. Hold on to it.
Oh,
Ooh, fire.
thanks. Help me, please. Help! Help me, please.
Help!
Help me, please!
Help! I don't know.
If this game
Ow!
crashes one more time, I'm done.
Yeah, I know.
I mean, not crash. This I'm done with the scenario.
Are you in the room by the window?
Yeah.
Are we leaving?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I'm just quickly checking to see if there's some stuff here.
Any good loot? Whoa, whoa, whoa! Where is he? Where is he? I can't even see him.
You don't see the zombie?
Oh, well, no, my camera didn't. I wasn't
okay.
forward enough to see it. Help me, Alec, help me! Whoa,
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out.
Help me!
For a second, I said it in Maltese. What? Watch out! I said it in Maltese. Like a 10. That's what it is.
I'll just know. I'm still alive! Jesus!
Really? I'm coming! I'm coming!
I got it. I don't know how many bullets that zombie takes.
I don't know. And I whacked him with my pole.
Yeah.
My pipe, not pole.
Ooh.
My pole.
Alright. Do whatever you want to the zombies. It's okay.
That came out
don't
wrong.
Don't catch that G virus, alright? You gotta protect yourself.
I tried to switch on the camera for my stream. Is your camera on?
My camera's on here.
I was going to switch on my camera, but the webcam on this laptop is awful.
Oh, is it?
Come here.
Alright, got herb. Got sweet herbage.
Yeah, so
Oh.
but the webcam is awful. I was gonna but because
Oh, yeah. Oh, look at us holding
yeah.
holding hands while we cross.
That's
Look at They're holding BFF like hold me, hold my hand, please.
it. Help me, hold my hand. Oh yeah, I forgot to hold you last time when you were in danger. I should have helped you a bit. Give you cuddles. Hang on, be careful for this one.
Help me.
Oh yeah.
Be careful.
Not a row 27.
Careful.
Solid.
Don't
Alright.
be over ambitious.
Here we go. Go! It's a ring. Look at that speeding our way up. I'm inside you. Ooh, yikes.
Please help me.
Whew. We're almost there. We're almost there.
Gotta make it. All our hands holding did it.
Oh yes. Yeah, baby. We did it.
Oh yeah.
Look at us. We combined again.
Man, we're a
Look at
solid
that.
team here. We're one person.
Fusion.
Let's go!
Why are we doing this again? Why? What do you mean? We died. We died. No, we died. My game kicked me out for some reason. I don't know if it crashed. See, at this point, Eddie already had the card and he opened the door, but
Oh yeah. Oh,
Wait
that's
a
right.
minute.
Yeah, we
Can
went a
we-
totally different
can we
way.
whack it open? Hang on.
Oh, thanks.
Zombies coming. Zombies coming. Be careful.
Oh,
Whoa! Watch out.
ow, damn! That was quick.
Oh, you're fast. Okay. Let me see if I can do that. Can we open this door?
Oh, no way.
I don't know. Oh, watch out for the zombie!
Oh! Yeah. Alright, let's give it a whack.
I don't know. Can I? Let me try with the
see.
iron pipe. Let me see. Hang on, I want to get
I
through
don't
there.
think so. It's got a card reader. Then we could just kick open any door.
I wonder. No, I don't
Just
think so.
kicking a door open,
I think we're
folks.
just
Yeah,
wasting
fine.
time. Yeah.
Just breaking our
Can't get that
shoulders.
door. There's a door here. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Yeah, Juan, the game kicked me out for some reason. I don't know if it's a thing with the game. I don't know, but it feels like each time we play the scenario, something always goes wrong. I don't know. I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah, bad luck with this scenario.
Do I need
Okay,
these rounds?
so-
Yes, I take these rounds.
Oh yeah, and there's
What
some.
about this? It's locked with
Wasn't
a
there
simple
rounds
lock.
in here from me?
Oh, there's an herb. You can have it. You can have it.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah, I'll combine them.
Handgun rounds. You can take these handgun rounds. I think. Yeah, the ones over here.
Oh yeah, I was looking for those.
Yeah.
Oh, well, my character couldn't find them. There we go. Yeah, those are the kind I need.
It seems like each time we play the scenario, something goes wrong. I don't know if it's something is bugged. I don't know. Battery. You see, I have the battery now. I'm gonna take it in case I can find another pole.
Oh yeah, how did he? He just got a pipe and a battery, and that was it.
Yeah, but I think because he's not the doctor. He wasn't the doctor. He was the plumber or something, or engineer or whatever.
Oh,
So-
yeah,
So
yeah,
he
the
had the
plumber.
wrench and he had stuff and he had tape, duct tape or stuff. I think it's because he had the equipment. He could combine
Oh.
it. I don't think we can do that, but I'll give it a try. Next time we find the pipe. Oh, there's another herb. You want to pick it up or shall I?
Oh, I'll grab it for now.
Let's go. Oh, zombie! Be careful. Let me handle this. Let me handle this.
You got it.
Please help!
Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, okay. Sometimes they have a tendency like to stand again, and you don't think they're gonna collapse, and then after a while they do. It's like, what are those?
Oh, Dadaro's going to sleep. All right, Dadaro.
Have a
You
good night, Dada. What about this door?
Yes, Dada.
There's another herb. I'll take that.
Oh yeah. Well, here.
Anything else, eh?
Just trade. You can combine it because I have a green herb, so we might as well make it into a.
You want something? Oh,
Uh,
you can- yeah, but I'm full, huh?
Well,
I can't
we'll
get
just
anymore.
trade it, and then I'll trade you back, and then
What do you want me to
you'll
give you
just
then?
Well, it doesn't matter. I'll just give it back to you right away. You can just combine the green herb, and then I'll switch back.
Oh, okay, okay.
Whatever you
That's
give
good.
me.
Yeah, that's smart. Wow, I'm so dumb. Yeah, that's right. Combine. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
You're smart.
Yeah.
Yes, I see. What would I do without you, man? You see,
You probably live longer without me.
survival horror. This is it. This is it. This is true survival.
Oh yeah.
Okay, now
Oh, Dadaro. Spend the day with the family. All right, have fun, Dadaro.
there's a security card.
Take care of yourself out there.
I'm gonna drop it
Oh
off.
yeah. I'll pick up.
You can have the herb. Yeah, yeah.
Well, and that's everything we need. We got the security card.
Help! Come on! Thank you so. Come on!
Thank you so much, Vlogger.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. I want to finish this scenario. Come on, let's do this. Come on.
I
I've had
know.
enough now.
Let us beat this scenario, damn it.
But I'm worried about those picture frames, huh? I don't know what we need to do. So we're done from here.
Yeah, I don't remember even lighting those up last time. We did it ourselves.
There's no way out. We've seen everything here. Yeah, we have to go to the
Oh,
door
we came-
again. Yeah, we have to go to the same door we came in because there's nothing else.
Come on!
Oh, okay. I'm coming.
Now, which way? This way?
I think that way.
Yeah, there's another door here. Let's check out this door. Well, there's a first aid spray on the floor. Let's just leave it there for now, perhaps.
Yeah, I'm
It's not
full
going
anyway.
anywhere.
Owner's room. Maybe.
Oh, I remember being.
Oh. Oh, this is that room where we crawled down.
Yeah, but earlier, I mean, when we played this again earlier, today, I mean, we didn't pull the box and we made it down there anyway. It's weird.
Yeah, we didn't go this way.
That's strange. Might as well go then.
Can we check the other room up here
Yes,
before we go
let's do
down?
that. Yeah, let's do that. Just in case. Oh, there was an herb on the shelf. I just saw it, but we're loaded now.
Yeah.
Healing items.
Room 201.
201. I think it helps if we memorize the room numbers, perhaps. I don't know. No. it's-
Oh. Oh, this is the one.
Oh,
oh.
we got the silver key. Yeah, for the grenade
No,
launch.
that's not it. There's antivirus in there. What's
Oh.
your percentage at?
I am at 15%. What about you?
Hey, take it. I'm at 14, so yeah, you can take it and slow it down.
I'll take it. Have a good night, Dada. Take care. Thank you so much for hanging out.
Oh, whoops! I was like,
Yeah,
what's
yeah,
this?
I
Oh,
dropped
that's
that
what
so
you
I
put
can
down.
Hang on, with the key. I
that
have the key card. Why don't we retrace our steps back again? Actually, it doesn't make sense now. We're gonna get there anyway.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have to crawl down and. Oh
Yeah.
yeah, find that room.
Yeah, we're
Oh,
gonna be in
wow.
the same. Oh, you wanna give this a go?
Oh. Yeah. Yep. Yep, I kicked this door down.
One says it has a Silent Hill 4 vibe. The game. Do you agree?
Oh, I know nothing about Silent Hill.
Me
I
neither.
have never played a
Me neither. That's
single
why I
one.
asked you. That's why I asked you. I don't think so. I don't know. Maybe it's
I
the
don't know, I mean-
graphics.
Maybe. I mean, Silent Hill always had like a more supernatural vibe to me,
Yeah.
but that's just from watching people play it. I don't know.
Nothing suspicious in the tub. Do you need
Oh,
to
I
use the
think this-
toilet?
this
Do
one-
you need to use the toilet, Drew?
Yeah, hold on. I got a potty. Just
Okay.
help me. There we go.
Because I don't want you complaining later.
Help me.
Please help
Help
me.
me. I got a
you,
potty.
need,
Help me.
you need a hand. You need to wipe for you.
Help me, please.
I'll wipe for you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. You saved me.
Because I don't want you complaining that you have
Yeah,
to pee
I know.
later. So that's good that you
I
got it out of
know.
the way.
We can't stop all the time for my character to pee.
Maybe one day we'll get good at this game. We can speedrun it, perhaps.
Maybe.
I would like to do that one day. Speedrun it.
Yeah.
It looks like Eddie
Yeah.
earlier knew what he was doing. I think we should speedrun it if we just followed him.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. That guy was
Let's
definitely
go down here.
just hitting the objectives.
I love the camera angles. People complain about the camera angles in Resident Evil. I love it. I love it.
Super cinematic.
So there's a blue herb. I don't think I'll need it.
I don't think we ever got poison in this level.
There's nothing else in this room.
Oh, here's that registry, so we know what. We want to make a copy of it, so we know which safe or whatever to put the code in.
Yeah, that's funny. Again, we got further earlier and we didn't even need it unless he did it.
That's true.
Come on.
Ow!
Oh no!
I got burned by fire walking through the door.
Okay, looks like one is unsubbing from both of us because we don't know Silent Hill. No!
Oh,
There's a liquor!
I mean-
Careful, careful, careful!
I mean-
There's a liquor! Actually, you know what?
We're running.
I'm kicking
fighting
the
it.
liquor! I'm kicking the liquor!
Come on, Liquor. What you got, Liquor? You ain't got nothing. Stay down, son.
Stay down.
Stay down.
We're
Don't-
watching you.
Help me, please. Thanks.
Okay, so which way now?
There's a door here.
Yeah. We'll start this door next to the window, yeah. Let's see what... Oh, he got up again! He got up again! Did you see that?
Oh, I didn't. I heard him.
I saw him. Wow.
Just playing dead.
He was
That's
playing dead.
sneaky.
We were aiming our guns at his face.
Yeah, I was like aiming as a joke because I thought he was dead.
Okay, hang on. Whoa, 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 whoa! Come on. Yeah, have my
bad.
back all the time. You're awesome. But I don't trust the
Yeah,
zombie.
don't let
He didn't vanish
Oh,
yet.
yeah, I know. Keep my gun on. One more for good luck. And another. There we go.
One more for the road. Okay, here's the safe that we needed to open earlier. Okay, so
See.
let's read the paper. Evans. This guy's Evans. So Evans is he Bay again? Let's see if he's Bay.
Bay.
So, file, because there was one total charge breakdown. No? Yes, let's copy.
Oh
So
no, he's
Evans.
Gia.
He's Gia. There you go.
No Bay this time. Oh, there's another first aid spray. This place is low. I'm gonna switch my first aid spray. Or this first
Was
aid
that
spray
with
for
a
my...
G? Was that with a G? Or with a
J.
With a J. There we go. It was so funny yesterday when we were asking Matt to do the Alex Ashford laugh.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, he's gotta work on it a little bit, but he's getting there. The vodka definitely was getting him there.
Raven,
there's,
welcome, Raven. There's something on the floor. What's this? Did you drop an herb?
Yeah, I just traded it for a first aid spray.
Okay.
This is better.
If I combine my ammo, I think.
Raven Rose, how you doing?
Yes, I combined.
There's just a blue herb in here, so.
Yeah, I combined the ammo, so I picked up the herb that you dropped. Let's go.
Oh, nice.
Man, I love co-op in this game so much. So nice. I mean, it does give us only 4 item slots, which is a shame, but at least we can manage our inventory together. We can swap around stuff, which is good.
Yeah.
Oh, he's there. Pick him.
Oh, I'm gonna shoot him. Yeah.
I'm gonna keep watching. I'm gonna keep watching it now.
You stay down, sucker.
Actually, no,
Please help!
you know what? To quote True, one more for good luck. He's dead.
Oh, yep, he's dead. Good job. Although I would like to be disappeared. That would make me feel better. Well.
I still don't trust the liquor. I don't know why.
Oh, there's something shiny there.
Go for it.
Let me see. Oh, it's shotgun.
Ooh, nice. And we
Okay.
didn't even find ammo this time. We didn't even come across ammo.
No, I haven't
Weird.
seen any of the ammo
Okay,
yet.
let's check out this room.
Whoops.
This door has a silver relief on it, so I think we can open it with this one. There we go.
Oh, yeah.
I unlocked it. Yay!
Nice.
Nice. Glad you're doing good, Raven. We're playing some Resident Evil Outbreak co-op with Mr. True. You know True. He's like the Resident Evil master. He's like the Resident Evil sensei.
Oh!
He's like Resident Evil senpai. You know, especially Code Veronica.
Me and Hideo Kojima or whoever made it. We're like
Kojima, no, it's
brothers
not.
big.
Oh, watch out!
Oh, wow!
I'm always the one that gets bitten for no reason. You always
man.
help me out. Okay, let's go.
I
Hang on.
know.
He's
Those zombies just smell you. They smell that sweet vlog buddy.
yeah,
I gotta
oh,
get a
I'm on
piece of
red
that.
caution. Ooh, that's a good thing I have. I have 3 healing items. We're good. Okay, so this way.
Here! Help me, please!
Oh, it's flimsy. It's a flimsy lock. So here's
Oh,
what.
okay.
Here's what. There's a zombie here. I'm gonna take care of the zombie, and you open the door.
Alright. Shoulder punch in a door. He's not quite crisp, but you know, he gets the job done.
Coming. Take out the zombie.
Shoulder. This is me just trying to get in my room every
This
day.
game is like all the things I wanted to see in a Resident Evil game, and they did it. I love it. Look at us. Two people working together to open the door, and I love it.
Yeah. Instead of, oh, it's got a golden key, let's just wander around instead of just kicking or shooting the door open like we could. Nope.
See if something happens. Just everyone like lurking.
As I'm punching it. Ow. There we go.
What are you having as breakfast? One, tell us, and we'll leave you in peace. Just tell us what are you having as breakfast. And
Oh.
we'll leave you in peace. Oh, this is the room. Okay.
Semiconductor. Kind of a quiet stream? I don't know. We're talking.
Oh, watch out! Ooh, it's always me! It's always me!
Oh,
Leave
oh
me
my god, I had
alone!
my shoulder. I couldn't even fire.
Okay, he's gone. He's gone. Hey, Sam, welcome, buddy. Okay.
Brother
Do
Sam.
we need anything from this side of the room? Hang on. Yes, there is. There's some stuff here. Remember, close to the fire. Proto Sam is boss.
Protosa.
You see, if we used the key card earlier, we would have come through this door earlier. The key card door in the beginning.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I think we'd have saved some time actually. And over there, there's I think there's, I don't know if it's shotgun shells. Yes, I got you shotgun rounds. Since you have the gun,
Oh,
I'll
nice.
give them to you. Yeah. Here we go.
Okay, I'll give you.
No,
Here we go.
presenting.
Oh yes. Oh, the chat's quiet. Oh, well, Semiconductor, my chat's quiet because there's like 2 people here, so I'll give you some first aid.
Thank you for this break. Let me memorize the map real quick. Protosam is drunk. I would love.
Hey,
I would
drunk
love-
Proto Sam.
Yeah, it's becoming a
Everybody's
trend.
getting drunk
I
today.
don't know why. It's becoming a trend. Everybody's getting drunk now. All the streamers I know are getting drunk. I don't like this.
Proto Sam's gonna
Stop it,
drink
everyone. I feel like I'm a bad
some
influence.
Mega Man
now.
drunk.
One is having cereal. So I've got one who's drunk and the other one
Okay.
having cereal.
Have some cereal. All right, that's wholesome. That's wholesome. As long as he's not like having a cereal with vodka or something. He's like, what? Cheerios and vodka?
You just gave me an idea.
Where'd you go?
I'm going up the stairs. There you go.
Okay.
So you want to visit the first floor first? See where it takes us?
Yeah.
Second floor actually. This is the second floor. Let's go.
Oh yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, Semi, if you join Vloggy's stream, there's more people.
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Zombies! Zombies everywhere! And of course I get bitten. Always. Always I get
What
bitten.
happened?
Always.
What happened?
Every
I
single
just-
time. Oh, my gun is
think my
empty!
character-
My gun is empty!
I think my character just went back in the hallway. Oh, he did it! Oh no, Vloggy! I'm coming! My
Help
character
me,
went back in
please!
the hallway.
Thanks.
No!
Wait a minute.
I was like, why am I loading
Thanks.
again? Are you alive? Are you alive, Vloggy?
Oh, I'm dying! Help!
No, 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 no!
Oh my
I'm
goodness!
coming.
He's biting on me! Help me! Help me, please!
Get off it! I think I'm shooting.
Oh my god! I'm down on the floor! I'm down on the floor!
No! Where are you, Vloggy? Vloggy, where are you? There
I
you
don't
are.
need your help.
Oh no, that ammo.
Still in danger. Still in danger.
Oh, crap!
My goodness,
Nice,
I had no idea I ran out of ammo. Oh, wow. I had no
Oh,
idea I ran
man.
out of ammo. That was stupid. And my fire spiked up to all the way to 43%.
Damn!
Okay, now which way?
That's my fault. I loaded
no,
back
no,
in.
that's fine. Don't worry. That's fine. Maybe this way? now?
Hey, Raven Rose is over here. What's up, Raven?
We came through this door, yes? Yes, we came through this door. So let's find out what's...
Yeah,
find
the
out what's in
second
this
door we
door.
can go.
Ah, man, that was a mess. It's only 2 zombies, and they wrecked me.
Damn.
Because I ran out of ammo completely. I had no idea.
Oh, you got nothing?
I'm gonna take
you
this
need-
knife.
Here,
I'm gonna take this knife.
here. You can have the shotgun because I still have handgun rounds.
No, keep it. Don't worry. I'm sure I'll find something soon.
All right.
I
There
think.
we found 3 shotguns last time. There's got to be another shotgun
No,
around
I
here
don't know
somewhere.
what's going on? You see, this is one of the paintings. Look.
Oh, it says push the switch up. Yes.
Yeah, but nothing's gonna happen. I think. You see, nothing happens.
Maybe it doesn't show here, but it's that big board in that one room that's lit up or something.
Flimsy lock here.
Oh, here we go. Hold on, folks. We gotta kick another door down. Which character lockpicks? Because apparently that like comes in pretty handy.
Yeah, I'm sure there's one character that locks. Yeah, I'm sure there is. Maybe it's Eddie earlier.
Oh yeah.
Bro, Sam tells us we are awesome and he loves us. Sam, we love you too, buddy.
Oh,
We love
Sam.
you a lot.
Love that Proto Sam.
To quote the movie Dumb and Dumber, I like you a lot. You remember that scene? I like you a lot. There's nothing in this room. We
Okay.
just wasted
What
so
did we
much
break
time
in
for
here for?
nothing. Oh my goodness.
Oh, here, antivirus. You take it.
Ah,
Take it.
yes, I'll need that.
Take that sweet antivirus.
Ah, it tastes like Skittles.
That's
that was
sweet,
worth
sweet antivirus Skittles. Okay, that was worth it. That was worth it.
43% Lucky? He gonna better put a bullet in his head and spare him the trouble. Once has might as well get rid of me, buddy. You might as well kill me.
Damn,
I'm just a
that's-
burden. I'm just a bird.
Don't
Save yourself.
Don't survive the apocalypse with Juan. He's just gonna ice you the first chance he gets.
It's true. My goodness. It's true.
Did we go in here?
No.
I'm doing good, Raven. I didn't do much today. Did some school and then played games all day, and now I'm playing games all night.
Oh, this is it. Look, this is the room. Oh, look at this.
So we missed
A
one.
panel. A map is
Or-
inscribed on it. Some of the lights. What is it? Some of the lights are turned off. So number one
The
is Russia.
band?
Is that Russia? Russia and Finland.
So
weird.
what is the point of this puzzle?
Okay, the only one that's switched off is Russia and Finland. So we need to find the one that's Russia and Finland and switch it off. Or on. On, probably.
Oh yeah.
Okay, let's see what's behind all this. When the earth is tinted with red blood, the guardian knight will cut the way through. Oh, so when the earth, and by earth he means Europe, because this is a map of Europe.
Ah.
We need to find Finland and switch it on.
Okay.
Best part of being a DJ at the party is everyone gets you free drinks. You didn't have to spend a dime. Sam didn't have to spend a dime. Ooh, you go,
Proto
buddy.
Sam's spinning this. Oh, shotgun over here, Vloggy.
Oh, yes, please. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
On the floor.
Thank you very much.
Ooh, Raven Rose played some Metal Gear Solid 5 today. That's what I'm talking about.
It was hidden, my goodness, the shotgun. We would have easily missed it.
What level are you at in Metal Gear Solid 5? Like, what's your base looking like? I played that for like, I think I played that for like 90 hours or something, and my base is still not that great. Okay, so I think we got everything in this room.
Yes, we did. We need to find Finland and switch it on.
Damn you, Finland!
Now, the thing says when the whole world gets tinted in red. That is just a map of Europe. I don't know if there's a map of the other side of the planet. I don't know. That's weird. I don't know. Ooh, I heard the door open. I heard the door open.
Booty! That
I heard
quiet
the door
booty or that snake booty? Oh,
Oh, there's a zombie coming. Never mind the zombie. No.
Sure,
Let's leave it. What if we
Let's go
go
this
down
way.
here? What if we go down the stairs here? Where is this gonna take us? It's not the same set of stairs that we saw earlier.
Oh wait, there's something on the floor here.
Oh.
Oh, 45 auto. That's your handgun, right?
Is it silver or red packet?
It's like silver-ish.
Yeah, yes, I'll take that. Yeah, that's fine.
Oh, what's up, John Vito? How you doing?
I'll
We're just playing a little Outbreak here with Vloggy, buddy. Cover you in case something's come down these stairs.
Reload the gun real quick. Reload. Yeah, let's go downstairs though. We still have.
Oh, Raven's checking out that snake booty, not that quiet booty. Hey, they're both good booties. I won't. Whoa, the windows! I gotta stay over the windows.
Yeah, I don't know where we are right now.
Ah, there's Proto Sam. What's up? How you doing, Proto Sam? Ah, get chased.
Oh, there's a zombie there. Be careful.
Oh. Okay. Back up. She devil. Oh, you killed her.
No, she's not dead yet. So
No?
no, I'm watching her. Just check what's in the room.
Oh, yep. You got her? She's up.
Got her.
Let's see. Something on
she
the
dead
desk
now?
here.
She's dead.
There's a
Alright,
memo on the
so
desk.
Look around, see what's over here. There's handgun rounds. I don't know if these are your kind. Yeah, I think. I know you can-
Just basic handgun? Those should be
Yeah,
mine.
Yeah,
Oh.
you can have them. Let's see what's in this room. Oh, hang on. There's a picture here. What's this? United Kingdom. We don't need United Kingdom. No.
Oh, Raven. True, will you stream Uncharted 4? Vloggy did. Yes, Vloggy did. And Vloggy did it so well, I don't need to do it, because Vloggy's all over that.
What you talking about? Which game is that?
Uncharted 4.
Ah, yeah.
I have actually never played a single Uncharted game, and I
Oh.
never will probably because I don't own any PlayStation systems to play them on.
You
So
should get it. You should get it. It's
if
worth
they ever come on PC, maybe I have seen.
Fair enough.
I watched Vloggy play the fourth one, and that game was pretty awesome.
It is.
It's very cinematic. I liked it.
it. Let's go. We're done here.
Whoops!
Come on!
Turn around. Yeah.
Help
Do you notice the ceiling fan? It's working. The ceiling fan was working in that room. There's
I'm
nothing
not
to
dealing
fix.
with ceiling fans anymore.
There's nothing to fix.
What's this semiconductor Vloggy spanked me like I'm a naughty girl? I don't know what.
It's always me.
Ah,
It's always me.
No!
Why me?
Nobody fights Vloggy but me.
If somebody's gonna take down Vlog, it's gonna be me. Okay, I'm lost. So many rooms here.
Yeah, I don't know. Have we been in these rooms before? Hold on, I'm gonna reload.
Yeah, let's look for Finland. Let's quickly go through the rooms and look for Finland. You okay, bud?
Okay. I'm okay.
I'm asking you if you're okay, and I'm actually on red caution.
Oh, hey.
Yeah, I'm
Heal
okay.
up.
Yeah, healed up.
Ooh, we better be careful. We only have one healing item between us, so.
Yeah. Hey, John Vito.
Oh, wait.
Welcome to the stream.
Wait, you don't need that key anymore, do you?
No, I don't think I do now.
Okay, so if if a healing item pops up, you can trade that out.
Yeah. Oh no.
Oh
looks
wait.
familiar.
Definitely. Wait, have we been here? Yeah, we've.
Yeah, we've
Hey.
been here. Let's go up the stairs
Yeah,
again.
yeah. We've been here.
We circled around.
And I know it's gonna kill us on this level. It's gonna be our virus level.
No, don't
because
say that. You know, Finland was on the second floor. I don't know. You wanna?
Oh, I do not remember.
I was tempted for a second to say you wanna take separate floors, but no.
Oh.
And for my sake, I should say no because I'm the only one that. I'm always
That's true.
getting
You
hit.
can't take any more bites. Raven. I don't play Counter-Strike Go. I play the original Counter-Strike Source on.
Oh, again,
on Steam now and then.
again.
No! Where are you? Where are you?
He's done, I think. No, he's not done. Careful, buddy.
Oh. But I suck at Counter-Strike. Like I'm no good.
Where's the door with
Are you big on Counter-Strike, Raven? Are you going to the
There's
door
a
not open?
passcode here. It's slightly shut. There's a passcode.
Oh.
No, I don't think we can get through this door.
Should we just try these rooms on the
Yeah,
hallway or
let's
just
do
make sure?
No, I think that's the room we came from. No.
Oh yeah, this is the stairs. My bad.
I followed you. stupid Sluggy. I'm a sheep.
You just follow.
I just
Well,
follow.
you should let me take the lead on a couple hallways so you don't get that first bite.
Yeah, maybe I should. Always.
Keep getting that first
And
bite. That's no
The
good.
problem with me is I go around corners without hesitation. Like, poof.
Oh yeah.
I should hesitate more.
Well, that's the things. That's what people complain about the camera angles because they look super cinematic, but tactically they know they're no good.
This
Oh,
one-
Raven
no,
is
this is the
a
one.
Counter-Strike
No,
Go
we haven't done
expert.
this one.
Raven, stream some Counter-Strike. I want to see these skills. I want to see you knife some fools.
Oh, what's this? It's Spain. No, we don't need Spain. We're looking for Finland. Never mind.
Spain, my heritage.
Your heritage, seriously?
Yeah, I'm half Spanish.
Oh, look at you. Do you speak Spanish?
I don't. My mom speaks Spanish, but not me. I didn't get it.
Have you ever been to Spain?
No.
You should
Oh, the last
go
time
to Spain.
I should, cause like my sister and my mom went to go visit our relatives over there, and yeah, they had a great time. They went to like a bullfight, and yeah, they had all kinds of fun. I was in school at the time though, so I didn't just like say screw it. I don't want to like see Europe.
No, Europe is lovely. You should come over to Malta, buddy. Come to Malta, but make sure it's
Dude,
summer.
Yeah. If I come to Europe, I'm definitely stopping by Malta
You
for sure.
You should.
For
I just heard
sure.
a door open. Be careful. I just heard a door open.
Oh. You're more of a Souls girl? Oh, Dark Souls? Oh, God. Raven, are you a Dark
Let's
Souls
go.
kind of person? Because that game... I get frustrated just watching streamers play that game, let alone being the person actually playing it.
Okay. Oh, we've been here.
oh,
Oh, man.
This is the room we need to puzzle. Damn it. Okay, wait, what room is this so we know? What room is this?
Let's just memorize where it is. Yeah, let's just memorize where it's next to the corridor.
Okay. I think there's a couple corridors. Let's look on the map here.
Alright, the one
What
close
does
to
the
the
map
stairs.
say?
It's the one close to the stairs over here. Let's go up. Let's go up the stairs.
Second. Okay. We went up the stairs?
Yeah, I went up the stairs. We'll see what's up here. Oh, I need to find Finland. Oh, liquor, run for it, run for it,
whoa.
run for it.
Okay, I'm not even in yet, but I'm. Oh, I see, it's blocking my camera. Ah, it's creepy.
Okay, I'm gonna go through the first door. Oh, it's a silver early.
Okay.
I need the key again. Oh no.
Oh, use it. I'll cover you.
No, I don't have the key anymore.
Oh shit! Run!
Hang on,
It's coming. Run down this hallway. Oh, it's a dead end. That's a dead end.
Okay,
That's a dead end.
Okay, this is a pointless. Oh, run, run, run!
we got-
He whipped us with his stun. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, we got it. We got 5. Oh man.
I think it's all your fault,
Oh,
True.
damn it!
It's all your fault,
That's
True.
actually my fault because I suggested throwing away that
Nah,
key.
it's your fault because your character is fat and he's over 50. He's slow.
Damn it! Oh wait, which key do you have? You have the silver key.
No, I don't. Oh my goodness, such a blonde moment. Yeah, I do. Oh my goodness.
Ah, I thought you had the key.
I'm so
Okay, hold on.
stupid.
Hold on. I'm gonna get my shotgun out and cover you while you open that door.
Yes, please. Okay.
Oh, Raven, you got to try. I actually tried Witcher 2 because I got it on sale, like the Assassin of Kings or whatever, and I couldn't get into that game. I tried it for a little bit and I just couldn't get into it. But I see everybody loving the third one. Okay, where is it? Where is it? Oh, okay. Get away from blogging.
I'm in.
Get away from blogging.
Let's go.
Okay, I'm going in.
It's done. It's done. It's just one liquor. It's fine. The boss fight's gonna be like 50 liquors, just so you know.
Oh, damn it! I could have sworn you had that key. I was like, oh, I even told him to get rid of the key.
Oh my God. What's this? There's a. What's this? A red jewel. Okay. I found the red jewel.
Oh, that.
I don't know what it does, but I picked it up.
That's probably a puzzle something.
Yeah, I don't like that.
Oh,
What's
yeah.
this?
Oh, it's
Shotgun
definitely a
rounds.
puzzle.
Hey.
Hey.
I'll trade. How many shotgun shells do you have on you?
I have 13.
Okay, I'll take them then. I have 14 now. Good. I don't feel like taking a rest right now. Oh, funny. Check out the bed.
Oh, I see. Ah, come on. Let's take a little nap. Let's take a little nap, Vloggy. This is big enough for 2. Oh, what's my favorite game? That's kind of tough. Like, man,
There's Red Herb. I
my
don't know.
current favorite game is probably what I play the most. I actually play a lot
Mario
of Team
Kart.
Fortress 2. I love Mario Kart, no lie. If I had to do a top 10, Mario Kart 64 is definitely on there.
Oh, good.
I play Team Fortress 2 a ton, but I don't like streaming or anything. That's just for me. But my favorite game of all time is probably competition between
Come on!
Warcraft 2 and Resident Evil 2.
I love
Not that I
Resident
ever
Evil,
play Resident Evil 2, but it's just one of my favorite games. of
I
all
want to
time.
watch you play it one day. I want to watch you play Resident Evil
Oh
2.
god, it's so horrible. It has such like awesome nostalgia value for me that playing it again will probably like ruin that game.
Okay, I think it's a dead end here.
Oh, this is a dead end. Okay.
Okay, so there's nothing we can do down here. Let's go. Oh, the liquor! Careful! Ah!
Oh wait!
Oh, you're gonna get it! Oh, you're gonna get it!
Oh wait!
liquor.
There's one. No, Bloggy, there's one more door. There's one more door. Remember, it's locked with that key.
Yeah, but we can't do anything. Hang on. Wait,
Well, you have
wait.
the key, don't you?
Yeah, no, hang on. This door is
Oh, it's a
locked.
different. It's a different key.
It's sealed shut. It's shut tightly. What does it say? Seems to be locked from the inside, tightly shut.
Oh,
Yeah,
oh, it's
so
one of those.
we're done here.
My bad. My bad.
Let's go.
Oh, Raven plays Team Fortress 2. Nice.
Nice.
You watched
I used to play it, but
Ah!
I was never good at it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's kind of in its renaissance again because Overwatch came out and like kind of pumped up the Team Fortress 2 community
Yeah,
too.
I agree.
Because
Yeah,
they
I
wanted
agree.
to please, so Team Fortress 2 set up like competitive mode and all this stuff.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Alright, Raven, we'll have to exchange some.
Oh! Ooh, another zombie. Be careful.
Okay, I avoided it. Oh wait, we don't have a key for this, do we?
Yeah, it's pointless. And my gun's empty, so I'm gonna quit my shotgun.
Oh. Here, I got it. Save your shotgun rounds. I'll shoot.
Ghostbuster! That's good. I just saw your teleport. Help.
Go! That's your attack phrase. Ghostbuster!
Okay, which way do we go? I think we need to go this way.
This way. Up.
I don't know.
Down?
Down. We just came from up.
Going down, down, down.
Going down. Stop going. Oh, oh! Wow! I just ran into them, but I have good reflexes.
Got him.
Yeah. Did I get both of them?
I'm gonna reload here. Raven, I've actually never played Gary's mod, but I see it all the time on like people streaming it because it seems really popular. I don't even know what it is. Maybe you could explain that for me because I don't understand what it does. Oh wait, where'd you go?
Keep running down the hallway, then there's a fire path. Keep going there.
Oh yeah. Oh, Semiconductor says Vloggy needs to finish Ghostbusters.
Oh, he remembers. I was hoping people forgot about that. I
Uh,
was hoping people forgot about that. It's a good game, actually. It really is a good game. I watched Ghostbusters movie yesterday at the cinema. Come on, it's not
the new
that
one.
bad. It's not. I'm not saying it's a good movie, but it's not that bad. Superb.
Yeah, that movie got a lot of hate.
Yeah, it's got a lot of hate and for nothing really because. Ooh.
Yeah.
The liquor's still dead.
We've
Here.
been.
Yeah, we've been.
No,
here.
Raven, you're not chatting too much. Please keep chatting, because my chat is non-existent if you're not chatting. I'm happy to chat it up and answer anything. Let's have a convo. Although in between screams, between me and Vloggy screaming as we die.
Yes. Please don't interrupt our screaming.
Yeah, don't
Oh, there's a
interrupt
zombie
our
chasing
time.
us! Hang on, there's a
Oh
zombie!
my God! How did he come in? How did he come in between us? That's impossible.
Not touch through.
Yeah, Vloggy on my back.
Who's been here? Oh my goodness, I have no idea where we need
Have
to
we?
go next. Yeah! This is the room where I
Oh,
got the
damn
key
it.
thing.
Oh damn it! I thought this was a new room. Damn
Yeah,
it.
nope. We need to find that room with the Finland thing. Where is it? Where is it?
Oh yeah.
I'm at 62% virus. Oh, the zombies! Oh, the zombie. The liquor's back. Be careful. Are you still there? True. You went quiet. Don't scare me like that. No, True. True. Did you die? I see you running around, but what's going on? Why are you quiet now? Gold relief. We need the gold key. Ah! Ouch! I deserve that. Oh! Why am I quiet? What happened with?
Loggy.
Oh, there you're back. Okay, you're back. Whew.
Hey,
got
I
worried.
ran into this room to check Discord.
In the meantime, I got whipped by a stupid liquor. I tried to.
Oh dang.
Have we been in? I don't think we've been in this room, this area.
Wait, I don't know where you are. Oh, there you are.
Okay, this
I don't
door is
remember.
pointless. This door is definitely pointless. Don't go around
Okay.
the door because it's outside.
Oh, there's a handgun here, although we don't really need it. I don't play Battlefield Raven Rose. I kind of want to play Battlefield 2 Bad Company for the single player. I heard that's actually
I'm gonna
really
take
good.
this door. I'm gonna take this door real quick. Be careful because there's two zombies on the corridor. Be
Oh,
careful.
okay. Coming.
Lounge
Oh, yeah,
stairs.
you're right. I'm
All right,
coming
I'm in the
coming
lounge stairs. I'm gonna go all the way up to the 3rd floor now from the lounge stairs. Because I think this is what we're missing.
Okay, I'm coming.
Actually, I think I made a boo boo here. No, this is not where we have to go. No.
Oh.
Sorry.
Nope.
Yeah, but we need the stairs are
back.
the stairs are on the other side, and let's go to the 3rd floor now.
Okay.
70% my virus. Oh my goodness.
Oh, damn.
2nd floor. Let's go to the 3rd floor.
How old am I? I'm old enough.
I'm old enough to play this game.
I'm old enough to play Outbreak and gamble. That's how old I am.
And drink.
And drink. I drink all the time. Well, I don't, but I could if I wanted to because I'm old enough.
So funny.
When I go to Malta and
Oh,
stream.
always the same thing.
Oh no!
I need a healing item. I heard zombies. Careful.
Semiconductor. What's your social security number? Screw you, Semiconductor. Raven, how come I don't have Google Plus? I don't know what Google Plus is. To be honest, I don't know what that does. I know of it. I don't know what it means. Oh, what's this? There's something shiny here.
Yeah, I'm reloading real quick.
Polo shirt. Take it. You obtained a special item.
Okay, we're in the laundry room. Look at that. I need a healing item.
Oh, there's a memo.
Yeah, a janitor.
Oh, here's the security code for I guess that door, right?
Really? Oh.
2287. Guard's notebook. Yeah,
Okay.
buddy. Oh, what's up, Chase? Chase is lurking, I think. Chase is lurking around here.
Chase be lurking. Okay, I think we're done here. I don't
Okay.
need the blower. I'm gonna need your protection, huh?
Oh, yeah. I'll go first. Just tell me where to go.
The only door there is.
Oh wait, what's this janitor's repair memo?
Yeah, I looked at that and
Oh, that's that. It says that crack in the wall because that's where we get the grenade
yeah,
launcher.
that's right. Yeah. Okay. What was I gonna say? Do you know where the door is? To put the password in?
No, I don't
Me
know.
neither.
Oh, I don't. Man, it's like on the middle of a hallway next to a burning fire. That's all I remember, but I have no idea
There's
where.
fire everywhere. Watch out, the zombie!
Oh! No! Don't you bite us, buddy.
What's in here?
Raven, what do you use Google Plus for? Is that like a chat?
Room 30 something. This one. This room is 30 something.
Oh yeah, 30 asterisk.
There's a zombie.
Dead.
Oh, herb.
green
Thank you very
herb.
much. I'll take that.
Nice. Yeah, oh, you're in caution. Oh jeez.
I'm on red caution. No, I'm on yellow caution.
Oh, you should have said something. I could have given you my first aid.
Nah, I don't wanna be a burden, you know.
don't want to be a burden as you're dying. Like I'm okay. Don't worry about me.
Oh, look, this is my favorite room.
Oh yeah. Whoa. Terminator over here just blasted.
I pushed the wrong button actually. There's the grenade launcher. You can pick it up.
Oh yeah, I guess
not
I have
full.
a slot. Oh, we didn't find those grenade rounds, huh?
I love this door. No, we never did. No. If you
Raven, where are you in the world? What time is it for you guys? Let's do a timestamp on my
Let's do a
my
timestamp.
chat,
Yes.
Vloggy's chat of the 1 to 2 people that are watching.
I should be on your.
Where is it?
I should be on your chat as well. Why am I not on your chat?
I don't know.
Okay, so hang on. Did we unlock this door? Hang on. Ah, there you are. You're in my chat.
Actually, Raven, I was about to give you that wrench right now because I was like, oh yeah, Raven, why don't you have a wrench? You're Raven Rose. You're the Raven
You're
Rose.
the Raven Rose. The. Like. With
Oh yeah, this is the.
Yeah. With
This is definitely it.
oh my goodness, we're so lost.
Oh, it's Raven's only 1 hour ahead of me. Subconductor's 2 hours ahead.
I am 9 hours ahead.
Vloggy is 9 hours ahead. I know that.
I think it's this way. I think it's this way. I think I hear zombies.
Down here. I'll go first. Don't get bit. Oh no, that end.
Dead end. Okay, so we have to go up the stairs then. No, down. Maybe down. All the way. Let's go down real quick.
All right.
There has to be a door here with a password. We need to find that door.
1:40 a.m. for Mr. Chase. Yeah, it's in the middle of a hallway. I can picture the door.
I
but
can
can't
picture the door. It's
where the
close
damn
to a
door
fire,
is.
if I'm not mistaken. It's close to a fire.
Yeah. There's a fire on the left of it. Like you can't go past it or something like that.
Exactly. Maybe it's here. Hang on. I think it's here. Nope. This is not it.
No. Dang.
I
Whoa,
tried to do a
whoa,
high
whoa!
jump, but it didn't work. No, this is not it.
Stay down. Maybe further down though. Maybe here.
Oh, this is it. There it is.
Yes! Put that code.
What's the code?
Okay, it is 2287.
2287. Here we go. Enter the code. It's 2287. We're in, buddy. 75% virus. My goodness.
Oh god, we
I
gotta.
don't think we're gonna do this.
No, Raven doesn't drink. I don't drink coffee either. I don't drink caffeine at all, actually, other than my pre-workout mixes. But other than that, I don't do caffeine.
Now, where are we? What's this place?
Ooh,
Whoa,
this
this
is
Whoa, what is this?
it's like a place with
Oh,
stuff.
first aid
that's-
spray. I'll take that. Thank you very much.
Oh, use
I
it.
I recognize this room. You see, Eddie did it for us earlier.
Oh.
Do you think I need the key anymore? I'm gonna keep it for now, but. Oh no. You went quiet. I don't like that. And your character's not moving. No. Not this again. No. True. Oh no. No.
Oh no.
Oh, you're back. You're back.
Can you hear me?
I hear you now, yeah. Yes.
Oh, that was weird. My character froze, and
Oh, you died!
I, like...
You died!
What?
You died! You passed out! You died!
No, you died! I see your dead character!
Oh, no way! Not
What
this
the
again!
hell? No!
I see you dead on my screen!
I'm looking at you on my screen dead on the ground.
No,
No!
way!
Why?
Why
Why
does
does
this-
this level hate us so much?
No! No, why?
I'm watching your stream now. I'm gonna see the insanity.
No! I missed out on seeing you collapse because I was on another camera. But then when I
Yeah,
went back...
I just heard.
Oh, you're on the
I
floor!
heard you. I heard a body collapse.
You're dead.
Ah.
And it's funny now that you're dead. You have 6 item slots now. For 8 actually. 8. I can't count.
Yeah, you have 8 too.
No way. Why does this keep happening? And did I get disconnected? Was it your end? Was it my end? What's going on?
I don't. That's so weird. I mean, my internet connection works. Obviously, something in the game, but
Yeah. But for a second, I even lost you on Discord, huh? For a second, I even lost
yeah,
you on
for a
Discord.
second, yeah.
So I
I don't know why.
I don't
Oh
know.
my god. Okay, I
Are we
think
still
this level
streaming?
is just this. I think we're live. My stream's still going.
Hang on, let me check that I'm still streaming. Hold on.
All right. Oh, Raven. Raven, I don't drink either. I'm a boring person. The last time I drank, I had a glass of wine like 2 years ago at New Year's Eve, and I don't even like wine. Damn. I apologize. Everybody
Okay, I'm back.
watching, this level hates us. This
Oh,
level hates us so much.
man.
Oh yeah, I'm looking at your stream. I'm dead by the computer.
Yeah, no
You,
way.
you're dead by the tables here.
No, I'm not gonna keep playing. Oh, I discovered the door here. If you push the shelf, if you're in the same room, you are in the same room,
Yeah.
in which we both
Yeah,
died in different dimensions.
Yeah, I know.
There's a room,
A
but it
shelf?
says if the door is tightly shut, there seems to be trick at work here. Hmm.
Oh.
Alright, but there's no point in continuing this. Oh man, let's do the next scenario. Do you want to do the next one?
Yeah, we'll do the next scenario. And
Quick game. Yes. That's
this
so
is-
strange.
I'm-
Why does this keep happening?
that's definitely the weirdest one. That had been a server thing, like the server disconnected us from each other.
Sometimes I think maybe it's either you or me. Maybe one of us had like an internet. I'm not gonna say
Just like
disconnection. Yeah,
goes down for a second or something.
yeah, a slight loss in connection, just a slight loss in
Yeah.
connection, and the game just decided to kick us out right away. I don't know.
It could be, yeah.
Because I mean, I lost you on Discord at one point. I don't know if it's me or you, but I don't know.
Yeah. I mean, I want to say it's me, but I could hear you. So if I got disconnected, I shouldn't be able to hear you.
Oh, so you could hear
But I
me
could
when.
he-
Oh, so you could hear me
But
when
I
I
could
was.
hear you. Yeah, I could hear you saying, "Are you there? Are you there?" And I'm like, "I'm here," and you couldn't hear me. So I don't know why I could hear you, but I couldn't respond. So that doesn't make sense.
Strange. So I still had internet connection as well, because otherwise you wouldn't be able to hear me.
Yeah. So
That's so
it's got to be some
strange.
server thing. I don't know.
So strange. So strange. Okay, no problem. Let's go to. Let's go to
Yeah.
the.
Oh
scenario.
yeah, Raven. We're gonna switch. I forget what the next level is even called. Well,
It's
Loggy
called.
knows this stuff.
It's called Decisions. Apparently, the
Oh.
next one is gonna be tough, huh?
I heard that one's like the longest,
It's
toughest one.
And if I remember correctly, because I never finished these games, I never finished these scenarios. All I did was browse through them, but I never actually finished them. There's one or two that I finished. But if I remember correctly, in this one there's a tyrant that chases you. Hey, this is Emily. Welcome. Welcome.
Emily!
We're playing some Outbreak. There's people playing. There's people playing in room 2. Let's join them. Do you want to do that? But they're playing the second.
All right.
Do you see them?
Hold on. I'm not even there. Area 1?
Come join. Yes.
Oh yeah, I see it. They're playing
Oh.
Outbreak.
They took Kevin, so I can't play as Kevin. I'm gonna play as another one. What am I gonna play
All
as? Choose a character real quick. Let's join them.
I'll take my boy Mark. Oh, the room's been disbanded.
Yeah, yeah.
Ooh, Raven. I actually just started playing GTA 5 online today, and I got killed because I don't know what I'm doing.
What does disbanded mean?
I guess they probably just exited the room.
Disbanded. Alright, so I'm gonna quickly set up another one. What can you do?
All right. You play GTA 5 online, Raven, or just single player? Because I barely started the single player. Oh.
I'm spending some time.
Wait.
tried.
Wait,
to
are you Cindy?
No, I'm not in the game.
Oh, somebody else just made a room for decisions, and I joined it.
Let's go. Let's go. I'm coming in there. I'm
Okay,
coming
come
there.
in.
Decisions. I see it. Unless it's been disbanded or something. Let's go. Unless
Let's
they're
see.
having the
Okay.
same problem. Hey, Koharu, welcome to the stream.
Oh,
Oh, they
put a
took my
password on
character.
it.
They took my character.
They put a password you can't get in.
Really?
It's got a key on it. I just tried to get in.
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
Yeah,
see,
that's probably why they disbanded it, because we joined. They didn't want people joining.
Yeah. That's all right. No problem. We'll probably slow them down anyway.
Yeah.
So,
Oh, you
setting up another.
Raven plays GTA 5 online with Casey? That's awesome. You should stream that shit. I started watching those Smosh game people. They're pretty funny when they play GTA 5.
Koharu loves my voice. Well, maybe you can hire me and I'll read you a bedtime story.
Yeah, there you go. Who doesn't love Vloggy's voice?
You know what? I had somebody on chat once telling me like, yeah, you have a voice. You should be on radio or something, or you should do voiceover for cartoons, something like that. Somebody said something like that in chat, and funnily enough, I was offered a radio show actually. Yeah, but I refused.
Nice.
Finish.
Huh?
Actually, there's more Kevin outfits. I'm gonna wear a different outfit.
They have different outfits?
Yes, I do. See if you have
Did
Mark
not know
B,
that.
because usually we'd have like Mark B. It's ready to room, by the way.
Okay,
See if you have
let's
like
see.
Mark B.
Oh no, I just have the I don't know why I didn't get all the maps and stuff. I know I just have the basic. So I gotta stick with Mark.
That's right.
That's weird.
Koharu, this is Resident Evil Outbreak. It's a I'm not gonna say obscure title, but it's one of the lesser known games. Would you say it's a lesser known game?
It's lesser known because it's basically unplayable,
Yeah.
generally speaking. So, oh, Raven likes your voice too. Yeah, the other.
Cutscene. Shh, 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 shh.
Oh,
We'll keep rambling afterwards.
a new cutscene.
Yes, it's a new one. Is that Wesker?
Oh, is that Wesker?
I don't know.
No way. Like worked it or something.
Too much growth weakens an organization. What should be important becomes overshadowed by greed. Mass production? Ridiculous! One masterpiece is enough.
That's it. That's the title.
Ooh, yeah. That's like a very human-looking Tyrant face.
Yeah. That he's gonna chase us. I told you, he's gonna chase us big time, huh?
Sucks. Oh, Semiconductor. Vloggy is the next Morgan Freeman. Look at that.
Me. Oh, this is the police station. It's the police station.
This
I think it's the
place
police
too.
station from Resident Evil 2. Look at
Oh.
that. Recognize the area? Oh my goodness. Sorry. Calm your tits, Vloggy. Oh my goodness. That's it.
Dear George,
This is it. We finally
I
get to
have
run around
vital information
RPD.
about the current city crisis which only you will understand.
I don't know
I'm
these
waiting at the
people.
university. Please contact me as soon as possible. Peter Jenkins.
This is Raccoon University. Why
Oh.
there?
Wait, Raccoon University. I guess we're not going to police station.
No, it was just a shot at the police station. We're not gonna be playing there yet, no. But that was. Did you recognize it? That's the basement. That's where the car park is.
I was gonna say, was that by the jail cell where Homeboy like locked himself?
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Yes, that's right. All right, hello everyone. I got new people here. I think. Hang on, do I?
Woo!
I got the Buds Gaming. Welcome, Buds Gaming. Welcome
Hey,
to the
Buds.
stream. We're playing some Resident Evil Outbreak, and this game went off. Look at me! I'm Wolverine.
Oh, Raven's going to sleep. All right, you sleep, well, Raven. I'll be streaming probably within the next couple days. I think my usual time, about 7 p.m. Pacific my time. I don't know what I'll be streaming, but something. I was saying good night, Vloggy.
Bye.
Raven's going night night.
Good night. Have a good look
Whoa!
at me. I'm Wolverine.
Sexy cowboy guy.
I'm Wolverine.
Oh.
I'm Logan. He looks like Logan from
He
X-Men.
does look like Logan. Yeah. Okay. Guns up.
So what was I saying? Yeah,
Great.
this is Resident Evil Outbreak. It was originally a PlayStation 2 game, which went offline about 7 years ago, I think, something like that. But fans found a way to actually bring the servers back to life. So these are fan-made servers, and you can actually play with people again. It took us a while to set this up, but it's so cool. So yes, I remember this hallway. My goodness. Are you still there?
I am, man. I was just typing.
You were just standing there. I know, right?
Yeah.
And you were quite scared. Don't scare me like that, man. I was
I
expecting
know.
it to collapse again. Okay, you
I'll just go
wanna,
into another room and go quiet.
okay, you want to start from this door, perhaps? We take start this door.
Yeah, let's start work our way around symmetrical.
Yeah, let's go. Oh, what's you doing?
Oh, it's blocked. Can't go in.
No, it's open.
Oh.
I think I was
Oh, it
holding
was
it.
blocked because you were pressing against.
Sorry.
My character just gave up. My foot is blocked. Help me.
It's alright, Kahara. Don't worry. Sorry, Kahara. I'm very focused on the game. Sorry. Sorry, Kahara. That's alright about missing the streams. That's fine.
Activate the
My
elevator.
friend is True Nightfall. You can check out his channel in the description. I remember this time to put it down there. So, what's with the computer? What's there on the computer? Is it, does it say
you have
anything?
you have to activate an elevator, but it says,
Bye.
but you don't know the passcode. We need a passcode to activate the. Hey, I can't fit in there. I'm too fat.
Does it say that? Does it really say that?
Yeah, it literally says like you
Excellent.
can't fit in there.
How do I laugh?
Mark! Mark!
Look, you
Mark!
can't fit. Too narrow.
Mark!
You're too fat.
Thanks.
I found the lighter. I don't know what it's for, but I picked up the lighter.
Oh, there's a pipe over there. Whatever. I don't want the pipe. Pipe
I-
just gets me hurt.
We're gonna be chased in around the. Activate the elevator. Yes, an activation device for
Yeah,
the
well,
elevator.
that's what I was telling you.
Yeah.
We need a code. Okay, I found a red herb, so that's something. We can combine that. Blueprint of the map.
Bye.
Help me! Please help! Help me, please! Help! Help! Excellent.
Oh,
Go!
there you go, blue herb. All right.
Come on!
Find some
look
herb
at me
here.
trolling you.
Here! Come on!
I'm,
Come on!
I'm,
Here!
come
Come on!
on.
Come on!
Help me. Help me lose some weight,
Please
please.
help!
Help me.
Help!
We're wasting too much time, but it's alright. There's no zombies. We're playing around. Is there anything on the
Oh, this is
side?
the elevator. This is the elevator that we can't use.
So we're
Need
gonna
the
be
code.
chased by the tyrant everywhere, every room in this building.
Oh.
Even in the main hall, the one we were just in.
So it's like Leech Man on crack. Whoa, Donaro, you back? You be sleeping?
You can't sleep. I know the feeling. Oh my goodness, we're gonna be chased by this tyrant. I don't know how it's gonna work when it's two of us. Who is it gonna chase? Please go
Oh,
after
yeah.
True. Please go after True. No, it's good because if it goes after you, I can shoot it while it's running after you, and vice versa.
Do we actually kill it, or we just run from it?
I don't know. I really don't know. I think it's one of those tyrants that can't be killed unless
Oh.
you do the hocus pocus thing. I don't know. What's this?
There's like a puzzle here. We gotta fill this guy's eye
Yeah, we'll
sockets.
probably need to find some jewels.
Oh, Kaharu's here. Hey, Kahara, how you doing?
Yeah.
You found me.
Cars, cool. So, let's check out this door now.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Oh, doorknob is broken.
Kaharu's lurking. All right, you lurked away. I'll be here.
Oh, there's another door here. You okay, bud?
All right, all right. We taking this one?
Yeah, let's go with this one.
Okay.
This one, this scenario is scary, kind of. I mean, I remember it panicking me.
Oh, is Emily over there? Emily, where's Matt? Where's Matt?
Emily? Hmm? Where's Matt? Why are we laughing?
Matt.
There's a zombie, there's a zombie, be careful, there's a zombie, be
Relax,
careful.
we love Matt. Oh, okay, okay. Okay, make him come around this way. And then. Bam! Wait, where'd he go? Hey! Ease up off my butt.
I'm a cowboy.
Oh,
I don't think he's
Carl,
dead,
it's
I
like,
don't think he's dead.
I've been asking where you are. Oh, Vloggy's just playing.
What? Sorry? What do you mean? What's going on? Sorry.
Carl's like, I asked Vloggy where you were, but he didn't reply. Vloggy was probably playing the game much better than me, so that's good.
Just focused on the game so much. I'm super so good.
Vloggy still loves you. Vloggy still loves you.
Yeah, I do.
Oh,
I
here's
found
the
handgun.
here's the memo. We need a red eye and a blue eye for that the moose eyes.
Very familiar puzzle, remember?
Yeah, I know, really. Oh, Totoro can't sleep. Yeah, I've slept like crap like last 2 nights, like literally like
too.
waking up every hour. It's a nightmare.
This week I slept and I woke up at 10 in the evening. I woke up at 10 in the evening. My goodness.
Dang.
Yeah. My pattern is completely messed up this.
Yeah, and you work nights, so
Ooh,
it's
watch out,
already
watch
like.
out.
Holy crap!
Yeah, Temple Zombie.
Oh, why? Thank you, Goharu. You were very nice to say that. You
Watch
know,
out, watch
I'm
out. The zombie's not dead yet.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
And I totally saw the zombie's skirt when she got up. Did you know?
I'm gonna combine this blue herb just because I can. Why not? I mean, does any of these levels even have poison?
I don't know. Oh, I found something. This is weird. I found the number memo. 000-280-000-650. What's this? And the hour is 90 minutes 81.
Huh.
Oh, a zombie's coming in. Careful.
Somebody's trying to break in. Oh,
Unless it's
yeah.
me.
Kaharu, sometimes we get into the game.
Yeah, sorry about that. Sorry if we're.
We
watch
just
out, watch out,
get
watch
rid
out,
of-
watch out.
Oh, zombie! I need to buff a zombie.
I want to check this. clock.
Semiconductor? I have no idea. You'd have to ask. You have to ask
seems
Loggy.
What about what? It seems you can rotate the clock. Let's rotate them. Yes. Turn the shorthand. And what do? What do I do?
Oh, Goharu's having a bento. Delicious. I know what a bento is.
I need to.
Yeah, you gotta share. Oh,
I need to understand this puzzle. Number memo:
Do we have-
999-929, 939, 959. What's all this?
what?
111. And hour
Let me read
90
this.
minutes 81. What's 90 minutes 81? This doesn't make sense.
Oh, zombie came in.
Oh, hang on, because I'm reading this memo. I'll try to understand all this.
I got it.
What's this memo? I don't get it. Can you understand it? You probably picked up the same memo, did you?
Yeah, I'm reading it right now.
doesn't
Where
make
it goes?
sense.
999, 929, 939, 959, 999.
And there's a clock. We can move the. So weird.
Hour 90 minutes.
90.
Hour 90 minute 81. What is that?
I have no idea.
Is that like what time the clock? Like if you started from.
Zombies keep coming in,
12
my
and went-
goodness.
Oh jeez! I'm gonna run out of ammo.
Oh, I'm out of ammo.
Oh crap!
I'm out of
Well, I
ammo.
don't know if this guy's dead.
Okay, we'll see if we can figure this out later. I don't know. I'm not following what's going on. Oh, he's back
This
up.
guy's not dead. Just run. Oh damn it!
No, I can't help you. I don't have any ammo.
Oh, I got ammo too!
Another zombie came in.
Just run! Screw it! Oh no, I'm hurt! Oh, I'm hurt!
Go. Make a run for it. Don't worry about me.
Run it! I'm running! Oh damn it! No, one got me. I'm gonna have to shoulder these guys through. No! I'm trying.
Okay, go.
Okay, I got it through. Ooh, hope it's chicken wings. Oh man, I'm actually
Crier,
getting really
welcome.
hungry. It's midnight, but I could definitely go for a nice midnight snack. Ooh, some chicken wings would be awesome. Damn it, Dada, you're making me hungry.
What do I work? I
Super
work with,
Crier!
I work for Vodafone.
Okay,
Watch out! Zombies behind you! Careful!
Oh!
I think you pushed them back in. Push the zombie back in. That is so awesome. On my stream, you tackled the zombie. Incoming raid. What?
Oh, zombie's getting.
No, gangsta vloggy. Hashtag
Zombie's getting
gangsta.
raided.
I'm getting raided. Gangsta vloggy.
Thanks the vlog. Dadaro, I do not care for sports. I'll play it
There's
for
another
fun
door
with
here.
friends,
There's
but
another door here.
I don't follow sports at all. Are you a big sports guy, Dadaro? I know Matt is. I always hear him talking about sports in his streams. I have no idea what
Ooh,
he's saying.
nice hallway. Oh, watch out! The zombie's still behind you! Run, run, run! Run!
Please.
Oh, a nerve.
I have no.
I'm gonna pick up the herb. That's for you. I'll
Go.
give it to you later. Go through here.
Okay, let's go. Go run.
Lucy
run,
Rain!
run, little-
Lucy Rain! Lucy Rain! Lucy Rain! Yeah! Nervash! Mechapolis! Casey! Barry Twice! Clinton!
There twice.
Super Grier! Mr. Fix-It! Oh,
he's
keep running!
right behind
Keep
you,
running! Oh my goodness! I think he's chasing us! Wow, I said that Tyrant was gonna chase us, but zombies are chasing us.
That's not cool. Oh, take that herb. There's an herb
Yeah,
here.
I'll
You
mix
can
it.
combine it.
Yeah. Keep running.
Oh, please be a door. Please be a door. Please be a door.
There, yes. I'm gonna mix the herb real quick for you. Fine.
Okay. Go.
Let's go. Keep running.
Okay, we're going.
Welcome, Raiders! Barry Twice goes, ow, Lele! Hey, Lucy, thank you so much for the Lucy raid.
Dude, like a
Thank you so
double
much.
raid.
We're playing, Resident Evil Outbreak. It's an obscure.
Oh,
it's
it's coming,
being
it's
chased!
coming.
Run! Okay.
Oh, crap.
No! Are you okay, buddy?
I'm okay.
Keep running,
They didn't grab me. I'm
running.
okay.
Wow, the zombies are fast. I'm gonna pick up the herb real quick.
Herb.
Okay, run. What are you on caution or danger? Keep running.
I think I'm just stuck. Oh, I went in the first room.
I'm coming there. I'm coming there.
Damn it.
I'm panicking so much.
Oh man, this sucks. There's no ammo on this level. We
It's
had tons of
panicking me.
ammo on the last level.
I don't have time to.
Oh, it's the main hall.
Look at chat. I'm sorry, Peter Pumpkin Eater. Welcome. Oh,
It's the main
man.
hall. Let's
Oh,
let
it's
the
the main
zombies
hall.
come in here, and then
Oh,
we'll
they're
let them
coming
run
here
around.
as well. Wow.
Let's just let them run around, and then we'll go
Yes.
back in that same door.
How are you, health-wise? You are on caution. I'm on
Hey,
caution.
Lucy. How are you?
I need to take the herb.
We're just running scared. Okay, I'm gonna circle around.
Yeah, I'm gonna circle around as well. See if you can use the herb.
Oh shit! No, not right now. I'm gonna go back in the room. Going back in. They're on the other side. Oh, the door lock's broken. We can't get in from this side. Oh,
Oh man.
We
Did
can't
you take the
that
herb?
way.
Did you take the herb?
no, not yet.
Let's go up the stairs. Up the stairs.
Okay, I used here, but I'm still cautious.
I have another herb. I have a combined herb actually. Oh, a folding knife. I found a knife.
What? I looked at your stream and hold on. I see somebody who asked me something, but we gotta keep
Yeah, somebody
going.
asked me to type something in the chat. Yeah, so they can subscribe to you. Sorry.
Okay.
We're
I
panicking
just
over
gotta
just
run
two
away.
zombies.
I gotta run away scared. Let me do my signature. True Nightfall.
I'm so sorry. I
Sexy
can't keep up
emoji.
with-
Hi,
I
everyone.
like that
Sorry, I'm
emoji.
just
I
panicking.
love that
I'm just
emoji.
panicking. That's my favorite.
Oh my goodness, this is such a mess. This is hard, huh? And it's not easy.
Yeah, it's not easy. We're getting killed. Oh, there's more herbs.
Pick up
That's
the
nice.
herbs. Yeah, pick up the herbs. Take them. I can see a zombie trying to go in the door down there.
I know. We're not even down there anymore. Trying to go.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Hey, Barry Twice. He's here. Hey, Barry. how
Barry
are
is
ya?
awesome. Barry is awesome.
Yeah, I caught Barry stream for the first time since Vloggy.
Yeah,
Vloggy
exactly.
introduced me to the Barry.
Yeah, exactly. Because
To Mr. Barry Twice.
True was like, I don't know who to watch anymore on stream. I'm like, come
need a
watch
good
Barry.
streamer.
Come to Barry.
I found
Okay,
the
Juan,
Barry.
thank you so much for hanging out, buddy. Thank you so much for hanging out. Ah, man, I'm sorry I'm ignoring chat a while for a bit, but... Oh, watch out!
Oh, crap. Shoulder.
I have a knife.
Oh, you have a knife. No. Oh, damn it. No. No. Get off, Vloggy. Get away from Vloggy. Oh, damn it. I'm moving the shelf. I don't want to move the shelf. Sorry. I'm not helping. Oh, my God. I'm not helping. I found an iron pipe. Maybe I can help. Oh, there. Hold on. I'm being a really bad helper. I'm being a very bad friend here. Very bad.
Oh,
Very
I took him
bad.
out. But I think I'm in danger. Oh, I'm bleeding. Yes. Okay, I'm good, but I'm still bleeding.
Oh, damn it. I think I just hit you. I'm
Hold
sorry.
me. Please hold me.
Okay, I'm going to hold you.
Give me a hug.
Oh, Barry.
Give me a hug.
Hey, don't be crazy.
Thank
I'm
you.
a nobody.
I love you. Walk.
Oh, look at.
Hold me. Sorry. Hold me again. Hold me. And walk me
Oh,
around.
I got you. I got you, buddy. Nobody's.
Nothing like a true, like a true cuddle.
Nobody touches my Vloggy. Ooh,
He's
Barry
holding me
with
while
that sexy emoji.
he's holding me while holding his pipe.
I hold my pipe.
Can I touch
And I
your
hold-
pipe?
We're gonna be alright. We're gonna be alright, Vloggy.
Run.
Nobody touches my
Help me!
Vloggy.
Help me,
Oh,
please!
God, I went to go- Get away from Vloggy! Nobody touches Vloggy!
What about this time?
Did you get to the door?
What's all this?
Oh, it's dead end.
so many puzzles.
Just over
in
here
this one.
beating this zombie to death.
I'm sorry, I'm ignoring chat. This is so intense. Yes, Lucy, it is intense.
No. Barry, you're not a nobody. You're a big deal, alright,
You're
Barry?
a big deal, buddy. You're like
You're a big deal.
you're like the next PewDiePie. Oh my goodness! Oh, hang on.
Handgun round, handgun round.
This guy's not dead.
Hold on, I have ammo. Oh wait, you don't have the same gun as me, do you?
I'm not. I
can't-
Oh no, I don't. Oh my goodness!
Wait.
All this time I was carrying another handgun. Oh my
Oh,
goodness!
I see it now. I'm like, wait, you have...
All this time I was carrying a handgun. Oh my goodness!
All right, we have
what's all this?
guns again.
What are these?
We have guns again. We're not scared. Oh, Supercar! I didn't even see that. Hi, Supercar! If you're still there, sorry I didn't see that.
I'm sorry, I'm ignoring chat right now. I'm so sorry. What's all this? What's this? I don't know what's going on. I have no idea what we need to do.
Oh yeah, I don't even know where we
we're
are
just,
now.
We're just enjoying the game, walking around. Let's go see what's like.
Yeah. Emily, he's having a bad hangover. So I bet Matt's still sleeping.
Yeah.
That was
Yeah.
his body needs to recuperate.
Ooh, have we been here? Looks fun in here. No, we haven't been. Oh, look at that! Oh, I solved the puzzle already, I think.
Hey, look at you
Spectacles.
solving puzzles.
Yes, I found spectacles. Alright, there's an herb here. How are you health-wise? Ooh,
Oh,
zombies coming in.
Barry's too
There's,
nice.
there's,
Barry's
there's a
too
gun.
nice.
There's a gun on the table. Pick it up.
Okay, I'm shooting him. Die, Matt, die. Oh, wait, he's like way past me. I thought I was
Fine,
shooting
that's
him,
fine.
but I
There's
wasn't.
another gun on the table if you want.
Yeah, that'll definitely sub to Barry twice.
Wow.
Or anybody else in here. I think Kaharu's in here. Yeah, definitely check out Barry twice. He's the man with a plan and his own thing in his hand.
Man with a plan. Oh, I found an antivirus. How are you, virus-wise? How are you? I'm on 24.
I'm 22, so you take it. You take it.
I'll take it.
I'll take it. Wait, what did you say about solving puzzles? I missed the whole thing with solving puzzles.
I found a puzzle earlier. Yeah, I found a solution already. I think.
Oh, nice.
This bust had a.
Oh.
This bust thing had a pair of glasses. I took them off, and then there was another bust earlier. So I think I just need to put the glasses on. Let me go check it out real quick.
Oh, to another bus. Okay, hold on. I picked up that other handgun. I'll use that before I use that one.
So what were you playing, Lucy? If you're still here. What were you playing? What game were you playing? I'm curious. Okay, I put the glasses on. Now what?
Man with the shady
I revealed
beanie.
the door. I revealed the door, buddy.
Oh, I don't know where you are.
Oh, I'm here.
There you are.
What's this?
Oh, is this the secret door?
Yeah.
That's not a shady beanie. That's a classy beanie, Barry. Classy beanie, Barry.
Oh, what's this?
Oh, this looks like the place where the firefighters got killed in another scenario.
Yeah, I don't like this.
Ooh, this is oh wait, there's another handgun there. Jeez. I already have two. I don't think I need to.
So, for those of you that don't know, because I've seen a couple of times, but I don't know.
Oh, we can go down.
We can go down and up. Can we go this way? No.
Oh no, there's no up.
This is Resident Evil Outbreak on the PS2.
Here.
It was very ahead of its time. Oh, look at that!
I pushed the button and it did that.
Wow! Can you do it again?
Oh, I bet. I guess just push it. Try pushing it.
Let me try again.
And I guess we can like maybe.
Ooh.
Oh, we can like lure somebody there. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it's like. Make sure it's not me.
I freaked out at first because I thought I shot you when I pushed it. I was like, oh shit! I just shot Lucky.
So yeah, the servers for this game went offline about 7 years ago, I think. So fans found a way to bring it back, kind of. Oh, there's bullets. You can pick those up.
I'll see. Oh, they're my type of bullets.
So yeah, so we're finally playing online. What's this? Hang on.
Wait, what?
No, there's
What?
nothing. No, there's nothing.
Oh. Yeah.
Let's
Take
check
this
the
door.
Yeah.
Yeah, Barry, if you can get this game working, it's kind of difficult, but if you can get the game working, it's fun. Like, Vloggy and I have been having a hell of a time playing this game.
Without exaggeration, it took me around 4 hours to set this up. To download all the files
Yeah.
and configuring everything. I had to set up a VPN. Let's go this way and see what's in here.
Yeah, it's
Oh, be careful, be careful.
I'm running in. Yeah, Barry, if you really want to play it, I can link the forum where you need to sign up for the forum, and then the forum has all the links on how to play it and what you need to download.
Oh, sorry. I was just looking at chat. This is what I get for looking at chat.
Vloggy's sitting to look at chat, people. That's dedication.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, because Hunter just said goodbye. Thank you so much for hanging out, buddy. Thank you so much.
Take care, Hunter. Oh, that zombie's still up.
You are
just
awesome,
keep
Hunter. What about this? Is there anything behind this? It looks like it can be moved.
Whoop, that
Yes, it
zombie
does.
is coming in fast. Back up, zombie. Back up. Okay, I got him. Are you...
Oh, what's this? This
Yeah,
game is
anything
hard, and it's
useful.
on easy, by the way, huh? And gun rounds. These
Oh,
are
I know.
No, these are my kind of guns, I think.
It's the 45, that's you.
Mine?
Oh, crap. Oh, damn it.
This scenario
Yeah,
is hard. huh?
Barry wants to play. Yeah, Barry, if you want to play this, like, hell yeah, set it up. I'm down to play. I'll let me get somewhere safe, and I can put the link in chat there.
Yeah, we
If you
can
want to
send
check it out.
to you, yeah, you can put it
I just don't want to get my ass beat.
Be careful.
Speaking of that, back off, officer.
Officer.
I'm the law
Hey, I'm an
here now.
officer too, buddy.
Oh yeah, you're a cop. You're actually a cop. I'm security. I'm
about this
my
one?
security of the world.
Can I push
Let
this
me
one?
let me link it real fast.
There's something behind here. What's this? And this is kind of scary, actually. This first
Yeah,
aid
if
spray.
you
There's a
go
spray.
there,
Pick it
Barry,
up.
you have to sign up. Oh, sorry. If you have to sign up for the forum there before you can actually log in and do stuff
Yes.
and look at the stuff. But sign up for the forum. It'll take like a day for them to send to you the link or whatever, and then you can set up. It's a pain. You gotta know how to.
Come on!
You gotta know how to set
wrong
up.
door, don't go to this door.
Don't go that way.
Yeah, don't go.
And you need to emulate it, so you need to download it.
It would be
Not
awesome if you could
legally.
join us.
Wait, where are we going?
Oh my
the
goodness,
coming
zombies
from
both ways! Oh my goodness.
Back up off me, I'm security guard.
Wow, and they're fast! The zombie lady already reached us, and we were on the other side of the corridor. That's bad.
Okay, Kahara, what do you have to tell us?
Come on!
Yeah, it sounds like a secret. You're whispering it. What's going on, Kahara?
What's going on? Is that a secret?
A secret.
A secret service.
Secrets. What do you want to tell us?
Give us the pleasure. Oh, there's a door here. It's a hidden door. Oh, I didn't realize it was a door, this one.
All right.
I have to
Well, let's
tell
go
you
in this
something. Gar wants to tell us something. Tell us. No, this is the door we came from.
Oh, that's not a secret at all.
No. So hang on.
Wait, I don't know. Are we gonna? We're in a We're in a college. Is that where we are?
Yes, exactly. It's yes, something like that. It's college/library, something like that. Yeah.
Okay. Hold on. Let me reload while we're not
look
being
at that!
chased.
Another one of those.
Oh, I heard that one. Hey, Boo. Yeah, Dada is back. Dada's not sleeping so great, so he's lurking. Oh, don't
So
knock
tempted.
me!
I'm so tempted.
Why, Vloggy? Why? Oh,
Witness
there's
this door?
Here, Vloggy. There's a herb here. Why don't you use it? You're on Oh no! Don't go in that door. That leads you to the main hallway.
Really?
Wait, no. No. That was the other hallway. Hey, Koharu keeps saying she got a
She's in
secret.
love
but-
with something.
Oh,
Thing.
I'm in love
a
with
thing.
oh,
Lots of
something.
I went
Is it
through this
a,
door.
uh,
I went through this.
Is it a? I'm gonna go in. I'll go in with you. Is it a
Love with
video game? The
something.
thing.
A thing.
Is it?
Mm.
Is it Vloggy's sexy cowboy character?
It's Bloggy's hat. You were right. We're in the hallway again.
Damn it! I was right. Oh, I thought it was a different hallway. Yeah, and now we can't go in that door again because the doorknob's missing.
Are you sure?
Are
Are you sure? Run, buddy, run!
Just go back in.
Can we go? Oh, I don't
Oh Oh, too late, too late.
Run,
Wait,
run!
you
And
wanna
they're
go?
so fast! Run! They're so fast!
Going up. Super science.
They're turbo zombies, I call them.
Oh, there's a first aid spray on that.
Yeah,
chest.
yeah. Go get it. Go grab it.
Wait.
They decided to slow down.
Yeah. I'm gonna grab it. I have an empty handgun. I don't need that anymore. Okay, yeah, they don't like going upstairs.
Have we been in this room? I keep forgetting now. Have we been in this room?
Aw, thank you, Barry. I'm not a real streamer though. I'm barely on here, but I appreciate it, Barry.
Have we been in that room?
I don't know.
Let's
Give it a
find out.
shot.
Come on!
Come on!
Wait, what did Koharu say? Hashtag the true vloggy. Oh, she's in love with the true vloggy.
True vloggy. If we had to fuse, and we did it earlier in the game, if we had to fuse, we'd be the vloggy nightfall.
The vloggy nightfall.
The vloggy nightfall, or what would it be?
True and
Or
vloggy got
vloggy night.
shipped.
The vloggy
Wait,
nightfall.
I don't think I get it. I think she's saying a joke that I don't get, but Barry and Koharu get it. I don't know.
Have we been here? It doesn't look like we've been here.
Oh, I think we were here, but I think we ran because we were like
Oh
scared
my
of being
goodness.
chased.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, I heard a door open. I
Yeah,
don't know
me
where.
too, me too. They won't leave us alone. Okay, I need to push it the other way around. Be careful because I
Okay.
hear footsteps.
I'm gonna cover you. I'm gonna cover you if you gotta push it.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna try pushing it. Push it real good.
I
No, he
appreciate
won't
it,
push
Barry.
it.
I try to stream more. I love streaming. It's fun.
Yeah, you should stream more often, Drew. You should.
Koharu shouts the vloggy nightfall. That's our
I
combined
think
superpower name when we play this game. Oh, Barry wasn't subbed to me because I don't exist. I'm not even here. Nobody knows who I am. It's perfectly understandable.
Yo, Irving, what's up, buddy?
I
we're
feel
playing.
like zombies broke in here and then left out of boredom.
Did we go
Like
through
they-
this door? I keep getting confused. Did we go through this
I'm
door?
totally lost. I am 100% lost.
Here!
Here. Instant death, welcome!
Oh, ID.
Welcome,
There,
ID.
there she is. What's up,
I'm
ID?
sorry, I'm not being very, very interactive in the chat. No, we haven't been in this room. I remember piano.
They've never heard about shipping before. Barry, Kara, what is this shipping thing you guys speak of?
I don't know. Oh, door. Be careful.
I don't know. Whoa. Where'd it come from?
I don't know, but I heard a door open.
Oh, damn it. That guy kind of lagged into me. That was cool.
I'm trying to find out.
That
Oh,
guy
what's
was
this?
like,
What's
way.
this? Oh, there's something here.
The true vloggy, the vloggy night.
High class looking
I don't know what
chessboard.
this shipping thing is. Koharu, I don't know, vloggy, do you know what shipping means? When they're like combining two
Shipping?
things? Shipping.
Shipping, like when you
There's-
order something online and you get shipping.
That's
The
what I
wise
would have
one?
thought.
The wise one who holds
But
up the light. How am I gonna pick that up?
Oh, is that the thing we gotta put in the...
Yeah, but
Oh
how
yeah,
am I
how
gonna
did we
pick it
get
up?
that? I don't know. Koharu and Barry are like playing a joke on us, and I don't know what it is. I don't know what this shipping thing, like a shipping container, a freight. I don't know. How do we get? Do we feel like
There's
something?
guns in this area here. What's this? What's all this?
What?
But,
Oh, like ancient guns, historic
handgun
guns.
rounds. I found handgun rounds. I think
Oh, are they for you?
they're my gun, yeah. Which is good.
Oh,
Oh,
nice.
now I have 57. That's good.
Oh, nice.
Can't see a
Yeah.
thing. Something to do with
there-
the statues. No, there's a puzzle here for sure. We're missing something for sure.
Damn it. Oh, is it like push something? Can we like push something to stand on something?
I don't know. Yeah, that sounds like. Yeah, that sounds
Damn
like
it.
something we should do. Yeah, let's try. Let's try move the piano. No, I don't think we can move. I
Ah,
found a pipe.
stone statue. Oh man, Barry and Koharu are having fun at our expense, and I don't know what it is.
I don't know.
Oh wait, Barry explained it. The term used to describe fan fictions that take previously created characters and put them as a pair. It usually refers to romantic relationships, but can refer to a platonic
Well, he
one
was
as
holding
well.
me earlier, so.
I was holding Vloggy pretty tender, if I do say so myself.
Tender. That word. I can't
Damn
push
it!
this
There's
now.
gotta be a way.
Such
You
a
know what?
sword in
I'm
the
gonna
case.
I'm gonna get old school on this. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get Resident Evil 4 on this.
Do I break the glass or something?
Watch this.
No.
Big hot lead, blue diamond. Nope, that didn't work. That's not how you solve the puzzle.
I see what you tried to do, but no, that's not it. But it feels like we need to push something, yeah. I don't get
Yeah,
it,
it's not, our characters can't stand on each other's shoulders.
Oh man. Meanwhile, our virus is 36%.
Yeah, we're slowly dying. There's a lead pipe, that's not helpful. Let me reload my bullet that I wasted. Alright, if we can't figure this out in a minute, let's just keep moving. There's plenty of more places we can get lost in.
Yeah. What's on the floor here? Is there something hiding here? No, high class looking chessboard. I don't know what I'm missing here. It feels like these two statues. I don't know, these two
Yeah, I thought we could push them, but they're not pushable.
They're not pushable. Is that a word?
Pushable. I had my pushable and climbable boxes, remember? I had all kinds of problems.
I don't think there's anything we can do here.
Oh, short term. They want people... They want them to be in love, but they don't love each other, so people force them together. Oh, okay, I now understand shipping.
Shipping. I never heard of that expression.
That's
so.
like it's like an anime fan fiction thing. I mean, I'm pretty nerdy, but I haven't heard of that. I'm getting nerdier by the day. You learn something new all the time.
All right, we're done with this room. Let's go.
Yeah, screw this.
Come on! Please help!
Help me!
Help me, please! No, help me, please. I want to hear the other one. Help
I
me,
know.
please!
I got the wrong one. Here we go. Help me, please, up in there.
Help me, please!
I love it. I love it.
True,
So we've been in this room.
Go hard, you crazy.
You're crazy.
Crazy.
We've been,
Let's
go back to this
yeah,
room
we've
again.
definitely.
Come on!
I don't remember what was in here.
Yes, I remember. It's where there's the ladder to go up.
Did you put those glasses on somebody you need to put them on?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, well, what happened?
We revealed this door. This door was revealed. That we went
Oh,
through. Yes.
that was
This was the hidden door, yeah.
Who's my favorite anime character? Is that like a real anime character, or are you making fun of me? I'm not an anime character. I wish those anime characters. Damn, they're sexy.
Push the button real quick.
I'm
kidding, I'm
Get away from me! I'm like, doopy-doopy-doo, hey, Vloggy, what's this electric thing over here?
I'm tempted. Should we have enough playing this game? That's how we should end it.
Yeah, I know.
Alright, there's nothing here. There's nothing here.
Go hard.
Hey, welcome, Nightmare. Hello, welcome. I'm sorry I'm not being very interactive today. It's just that this game is stressing me out, and we're trying to figure out what's going on.
Killed.
Oh my
Getting
goodness.
killed in here, guys. We're getting lost. At least we have ammo now. That kind of sucked at the beginning.
Have we been in this door?
Yeah.
I
No.
want to say yes, but I don't
Come
remember.
on!
I want to say yeah. I think we ran through here in a panic. Semiconductor, a freaker. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. It's the A team, in case you were wondering. Semiconductors done to your name.
I'm on 40%. It says
Jeez.
she seems to have. Hey, Jace. Late Lucy Rain. So awesome, Lucy Rain. And I like that. I like Lucy Rain. Lucy Rain. Watch out!
Oh! Officer! Back up off me! I'm a security guard of the law.
I'm a security guard of the law. Nice. Reload.
Reloading. Oh, that guy's not dead.
And of course he went for me.
No, I tried.
Nah, it's okay. It's not a fault, buddy. Ooh, of course again.
Oh, no!
This is the main entrance again. Wow, I have no idea where we need to go or what we need to do.
Yeah, we're going in major circles here. I want you to go hard. Carl's getting into some fan fiction over here with us.
That's on the main door, actually. I was wrong. What's this?
Oh.
The statue of the president. He has a righteous mustache. You see, we need to collect these things. We need to find a mustache.
A righteous a mustache. I'll rip off my old mustache and put it in
my mustache.
A mustache. Kohara, where are you from in the world?
Yeah, where are you from in the world?
We want to know about
Sluggy,
you.
I want you to do something for us. It depends what. If it's inappropriate, I can't do it. If it's something funny, I'll do it with pleasure.
Security guard laws, you guard the law. I guard the law so that police officers can do the law. I'm the guy who guards the guys who guard the law. Or something like that. It's post-apocalypse. I made myself sheriff. I'm the sheriff of Nottingham up in here.
Race paintings lined up. There's a zombie in this room, in this hall. Just so you know.
I don't know where you are. Where'd you go?
I'm right behind the stairs. And there's a zombie who almost grabbed me, but he was...
No! Wait, are you going? Do you want to go up the stairs
Wait,
or
we're
stay
not-
down here?
Let's go down here.
Oh.
Let's find another
Well, we've
room.
been up, but every time we go up, we go down that ladder and end up down here.
Really? Okay, let's try again. Let's try up again.
There's got to be a door we haven't gone up.
Yeah.
I hope our whole thing isn't hinged on that stupid blue. I mean, but even if we get that blue gem from the puzzle, we still need the red gem too. So it's not like that blue gem's gonna solve all our problems. We need the red
There's
one
only
too.
one door up here, though.
What is this? Oh, it's stained glass. Sunlight's coming from that side. It's daylight. I'd never seen a daylight Resident Evil game.
Yes, yes. In fact, I think this is the only scenario. Actually, no. What am I saying? In Fallout 2, there's another one.
In the daylight.
I'm not.
Oh my god.
understanding. The Trinitro is
I-
going to school, shipping, shrine, and the basement. I don't know.
Carl's getting hardcore fan fiction on us.
Yep. No, this is the same door. No, that's the same door. No, that's the same door.
Oh, damn it. Is there only one door up here?
Yeah, feels like it.
There's literally only one door up here. And we always go through
For a
it.
second, I felt stupid. Like we were going up and always going through the same door. There's only one door. So
Yeah. Okay, zombies are definitely pouring in here. I keep hearing doors open.
Yeah. Buddy. Ooh, and she's
Oh,
a turbo
oh.
zombie. Careful, careful. Dodge,
Ah! I'm dodging. Wait, where do we want to go?
Come this way. Let's check out
Okay.
this door again.
Following the sexy cowboy.
Follow the sexy cowboy.
He's up off me, zombie. Dang, these zombies are fast. They go that
Yes.
freaking triathlon.
Can you believe that this is on easy mode? I don't believe this.
Yeah, this would suck on like very hard. Are you kidding me? We would have died in the first room. I think the zombie's gonna follow me. Oh yeah, he's right on me. That zombie's right on my ass.
Oh man.
We gotta keep moving. There's
Okay, yeah, let's go
definitely.
get this. Let's go get this room. I don't know what to do. Bellevue. Where's Bellevue?
Bellevue?
Carl lives in Bellevue. Where is that?
I don't know. Is that Bellevue? Is that LA?
I don't know. I don't know. Is that LA? I don't know.
What's
sound
state
European.
and or country?
This clock. We need to figure out this puzzle.
Oh,
Whoa, 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 whoa!
I got your back. I got your back, Bloggy.
Thank you so much. Ooh.
And stay down. I'm
Barry,
scared.
remember me? Yes, I do. W. Whoa!
Damn it.
I'm not looking at chat.
I tried to be really tough and strike a pose, and then she jumped on my back. What a jerk.
We need to figure out this puzzle for sure.
Oh,
more
somebody
zombies!
else just came in.
My
Somebody
brain
else just
just-
came in. Another officer of the law, not upholding the law. Oh, I'm like running out of ammo. I'm on my last
We need to
magazine.
figure out this puzzle. Would you like to Google it by any chance? Do you feel like Googling it while I hold the door?
yeah.
I hold the door. And you Google it.
Yeah. We're not cheating, people.
We're not, you didn't hear that.
You didn't hear that.
I'm holding the door just in case. And that's another awesome feature. This is why I love this. This could easily be my favorite Resident Evil game ever. Because, I mean, better than Resident Evil 2 perhaps. It's like old Resident Evil 2 qualities. With better graphics. And like, co-op, you know. You can
Yeah.
actually break down the door, you don't have to look for the key.
The co-op is
Whoa, whoa,
awesome,
whoa, whoa.
definitely. Oh, do you need help? Do you need help?
No, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. I'm holding it.
Okay.
Oh, I think this door. Oh, they open. It's too open.
You got it? You got it?
No,
You
no,
know?
I don't got it. Help me.
Oh, you don't got it. I'm coming. I'm coming.
Because my gun is empty. Ah, sorry, I failed you.
Your gun's empty? You're out of bullets?
No, I just
Or
need
you
to
gotta
reload. I just need to reload, yeah.
Okay, reload. Because I'm almost actually out of bullets. Completely. You'll
Sorry about
definitely
that.
have to cover me.
So sorry about that.
No
Okay,
problem.
go ahead. Continue where you left off. My gun's
Okay.
fine now.
Okay. I got 3 bullets left, so if you need help again, I just won't be myself.
No, it's fine. I'll give you some of my bullets. I have 35, so you can have some.
I don't think I can use your bullets, though.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, so you gotta... You're gonna have to do the grunt work there.
Yeah, it's fine. That's fine.
Okay. Here we go.
Vloggy picks the player model that looks like some cowboy. No, actually, Barry, no, it wasn't by choice. I saw Kevin A, Kevin B, and I decided to go for Kevin B to see what happens. And now I look like Logan from the X-Men. Wolverine. Yes, it is hectic. It is very hectic. It's very hectic, and I love it. I love it. Zombies walk through doors. I love it. You know, and you can actually hold the door, preventing them from coming in. The only reason why they came in because it was 2 of them. Because usually if it's just one.
I got it, Vloggy. Here, I'll do it because you have the bullet, so you need to cover me. Okay, cover me. I'm doing the clock.
Don't worry. Don't worry, I'm holding the door, and it's just one of them. Eventually he'll give up and leave.
Huh? I thought I did it.
You need to Google decisions. Oh, he's in.
Yeah,
but it's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
I got the time. Let's see.
Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me.
You got it. You're all over it. Oh, I don't understand. I'm putting.
Okay, I need to reload the gun again. Wow.
10:05.
It needs to be 10:05. That's enough.
That's what it said. I put it to 10:05 and it's not helping me out here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Not crazy. I know how to use the big hand to land. And 05. I don't understand. It's not, I'm gonna look at another walkthrough. It said that's what you do.
Try it. 10:05.
I did it 3 times and it doesn't do anything.
Okay. Yeah, the puzzle changes, by the way, huh? The puzzle changes, so it depends. I got your back, buddy.
Oh, okay, wait, let me see. Because it says, look at the memo, they form pictograms.
Ah, with the numbers, they probably make a picture, yeah.
So, number memo.
Yeah, Bellevue's in Washington. I saw the WA, yeah, I figured that out, yeah. So, Bellevue's in Washington.
Oh, zombie!
Yeah, it's fine, it's fine.
Okay.
Wow!
I don't even understand how a pictogram moves, so I'm very stupid.
Oh wow, I need some healing. I need some healing.
I think I got. Yeah, here. Oh yeah, I got plenty of healing here. Heal up. There you go.
I'll give you the lighter for now. I don't know what we need it for, but okay, we're good. Let me look at the memo myself real quick.
Yeah, look at. I'll
memo.
stand here and be a meat shield.
So it's
Oh crap!
It's at 0. Hang on. The 9 form at 0. 9. It's at 0.
Okay.
And then there's
I am out of
0,
ammo.
3. 0, 3.
Vlog, you're gonna have to kill this zombie. I'm out of ammo.
0, 3. I figured it out. I figured out the puzzle. My gun is empty already.
Kill this zombie. I'm out of ammo. I can only shoulder punch him.
Keep doing that. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Is he down?
Yeah.
Alright, so they form like a number. Look at the same numbers. Open the memo. You see the 9s? They form like a circle. You see that? 9.
Hey.
They go all the way around. It's like a 0. You see that? Like a 0.
Oh, I do see that.
So 9.
Oh, wait.
And then with the zeros, they form a 3. Do you see that? A 3?
With the zeros on the next page, you mean?
Yeah, next page. The 0 form a 3 now. So it's 0, 3.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That is trippy.
So it's 0, 3. And what's that? It's 2. So 0, 3, 2.
2.
0, 3, 2, 5.
5.
0, 3, 2, 5. That's it.
Oh no, zombie.
I'll handle it.
Here,
See if you can do it.
Yeah. So 0, 3, 2, 5. So what the hell time is that? That is 0. It's like 24-hour time. Is it welfare time? 0.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah.
I already
Oh my
grabbed
goodness,
0,
these zombies!
0205.
Oh, he's going for you. I'm sorry. He's going after you, but I'm reloading my gun.
Ah!
Okay, I got it. 0, 3, 2, 5. So that's 325. 0, 3, 2, 5. 325.
Oh, 325. Okay, that definitely explains it.
325. Do that. See what happens.
Oops, damn it.
No one will take the ship away from it. I don't know what's going on with the ship. I think we should hurt anyone. I think we should hurt anyone else because I don't get what's going on.
That didn't do anything.
Oh, another zombie!
I think we're
And
about
my
to
gun
get
is empty.
knocked by Garu. No!
It's okay, I'll equip them.
0325, right?
Yes. See if it makes any sense.
1 through 3. 5, 10, 20, 25. It doesn't do anything.
Doesn't do anything, really?
Hold on, let me look. 0, 3, 2, 5. Okay, I set it to it. I mean, unless there's something else you gotta do. 3, 25.
Doesn't work.
Doesn't do anything. It doesn't do anything. Do you want to try?
I'll try it, yeah. I'll
Yeah,
give
give
you
it
my
a try.
knife. I'll give you my knife so you can actually do something, perhaps present. Yeah, just do some damage just in case. Oh, one thing.
Oh, they're already here.
Let's see if I can do this.
My
So
character's
it's
supposed to be good with
325.
melee.
It's a short turn. So
Oh,
see? Big hand. 325. Didn't do anything. You're right.
Yeah,
I don't know. I don't know what I'm missing.
yeah, it is definitely the pictograms. I get it now, but our numbers aren't working.
Hang on, I have 3 bullets left actually.
Oh! I have to heal after this. I'm hurt.
I don't know what we need to do.
Oh, I'm bleeding too. Okay. First aid spray.
Turn the shorthand. 325. That's what it says on the picture. Let me try one
Yeah.
more time. Let me look at it now again. So 0. That's a 3. That's a 2.
Oh yeah, Barry. What the lag in the game
90 minutes, 81.
kind of makes zombies move around in places and you wouldn't expect. The lag is also part of the challenge.
I don't get it. I really don't get it. What's this?
Yeah, and that's supposed to give us the red thing. The red whatever.
Turn the shorthand. It's 325 for sure.
Oh crap! I heard the door open. We got a zombie in here.
Oh man. Let's get out of here. No. I don't know what's going on. I don't know why.
Yeah, we have to get this puzzle. We have to. It's all the moose. It's the 2 rooms we've been in. That blue, and this gives us the red.
And again, we see the blue one, but there's no
Yeah,
way to get
I'm gonna look up the blue one.
to see how we can actually reach it, perhaps, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, here's what we're gonna do. You're in that room. I'm in this room. I'm gonna keep this room clear from zombies.
Oh, you have to play the piano to make the statue drop the blue herb.
Oh my goodness, what?
Oh, is that my room? Am I by myself getting eaten? Oh yeah, I am.
That's so weird. The door just opened on its own. Did you get a zombie in your room?
Yep.
How did it come? I didn't even see a zombie going in.
Cop zombie.
Alright, I'm gonna...
So we have to figure out how to play the piano. Like I can look. Oh my god, another zombie's coming in. I gotta run. I have no. Oh god, I have no ammo
Click
and
hands.
only a
According
knife.
to level difficulty, it says 325 on normal. No, 325 is easy. Yeah.
Oh
it's-
god, I'm down. I'm down.
You're down? I'm coming.
Oh no, I'm up. I'm back up. I'm back up. But I can't get past these zombies. There's 2 of them. I can't even run past them. Oh, now I'm down.
I'm coming.
Oh,
I'm coming,
God,
I'm
I
coming,
died.
I'm coming.
Oh, I'm
You
crawling.
have healing
I'm
items,
crawling.
no?
Oh man, I'm about to die from poison. I'm about to be a zombie. 89, 90, 91.
Can you heal?
I'm up. I'm up. I'm up. I can heal. I can heal.
Heal. I'll try to see if I can
I healed.
defend you.
I healed. I healed. But how are we gonna get past these
We
guys?
just run, buddy. Run like this.
Okay, I'm gonna run. I'm
you?
gonna run. I'm gonna run. I'm running. I'm running. Go. Let's go. Oh crap! Crap! Crap!
Come
Crap!
on!
I took another bite. I took another bite,
It's
but I'm okay.
325.
Keep running.
Yes, Barry. We figured it out. It says 325, but it's not working though. 740. No, it shouldn't work. 740.
Oh.
We are on easy, right? There's no way to find out now.
Yeah.
Are you out? Oh, you're out. Run, run, run. They're right behind you. They're on your tail.
I'm out. What the rip? I'm injured. I'm injured. I'm not gonna make it. I'm walking like a zombie, but a crippled zombie. Oh, Bloggy, protect me!
I got you, buddy. What you
Oh,
doing? No!
Oh no! I think I pressed the button.
Yeah, if you press button, you let go of me.
Okay. 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 You lead the way. You lead the way.
They're not gonna get us. They're not gonna get us. Okay, okay, we're good, we're good. Walk with me. Walk with me.
Let's do it. I'm coming. I don't know who tapped
We should be playing on easy. And
No! They got me as I'm going through the door.
No
I'm coming. I'm
way.
coming. Oh!
Yes, we're
Oh!
playing on easy.
I'm down in the door. I'm up. Okay, I'm coming through.
Man, this game is hard. And the zombies are coming in. Just run. I'm just gonna try to
I'm gonna
lure them
run,
here.
but
I'm
definitely
luring them here.
injured.
I'm luring them here. I'm
I'm
luring them
definitely
here.
injured.
Yes, yes, I'm luring them away from the door so you can walk in.
I don't even know where we're going. Huh?
Don't you have
I'm
a
not
healing
going.
item anymore? That's it?
No, I used it in the room.
Oh my goodness. Okay, let's go up the stairs. They usually don't go up the stairs, so.
I'm going up.
Okay, this time they made an exception. They're going up the stairs.
Oh no!
Keep going up.
I'm gonna-
Keep going up. Keep going up. Keep going up. Let's see.
Oh god, I'm about to turn into a zombie. I'm at 95%. Yeah.
Oh,
That last zombie attack just like
This is weird.
murdered my
it's
percentage.
so weird. I mean, we got the right number this time. The puzzle should have worked. Maybe it's a bug.
It should have. Maybe before I turn into a zombie, we can figure out the blue one. Blue one's up here, right?
Wow.
It's like this room, I think.
Yeah, I think so. And we need to play the piano. I checked the piano. All it says is just.
I'll look on actually how to play it. I just
I checked the piano, and all it says is a fine-looking piano or something like that. That's all it says. We're gonna die. We're gonna die. This
Oh, yeah,
this
we're gonna
scenario
die.
is hard. You can tell it's the last one.
yeah.
I don't know where to go. Oh yeah, of course. More doors, more zombies coming in. Oh, sorry. Oh, he just got. The zombie just vanished. Oh, another one. Oh,
Yeah,
he got,
it even says
he got
the-
you. He got you. I'm
It even
sorry. I'm
says on
sorry.
the difficulty.
You
Uh-oh.
died. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Oh no! Oh, I'm alive! Come on, Ninja Market.
Please help me. Help!
Yeah, I just looked again on easy. Oh yeah, now. Oh, and I'm a zombie. I'm definitely. I'm 100%. I'm a zombie.
Wow, it's so hard.
I'm just gonna stand here. I'm gonna try and attack the zombie. This
Can you attack me? Let's see what
Get away
happens.
from my
Try to
friend.
attack me. Try to
Get away
attack
from
me.
my friend. Nobody attacks him. I'm the only zombie allowed to bite Bloggy.
Try to attack me. See what happens. See what attack
Okay,
me. Attack
let
me.
me
Attack me. It doesn't work
Okay,
because
hold
friendly
on.
fire is off. I think so. I don't think it's gonna work. Yes, it does.
Oh.
Can I kick you? I can't. Hey, yes, I
wait,
can.
ow! Help!
I can kick you.
Well, I can't say help me please anymore. Oh, here it is. Stop killing me for a second. I found the puzzle.
Okay.
Okay, here's the problem. You first must push the button under the picture in the southwest corner of the room.
Oh, where was the switch?
Then place the lit hands of the clock in the position.
Oh, okay. You want to try this one more time?
So-
You already started the scenario. Try it again.
Yeah, I'll give it one more try.
Yeah. And then we call it. I mean, I don't want to
Yeah.
give up any longer. Quick save. Yes.
I'm gonna.
If you're okay with
Well,
that.
you-
If you're okay with
No,
trying.
no,
one.
no.
Okay.
I'm good for one more. I'm gonna look up how to get that blue one with the where'd it go? How do we
That's
play
good.
the piano?
That's good. Okay.
Here, let me exit. the
Sucked so
game.
much, man. This scenario is so hard.
Yeah. Oh, it even said on this guide. It said like this is like the one level where you have to look for those like antivirus pills because it's so long.
Oh wow. I feel like we only accomplished like what 5% of this scenario. We didn't do anything.
Yeah, I know. I'm looking at this walkthroughs and they're super long, and I don't even know. I'm just trying to find our stupid red and blue thing.
I'm setting up a new. I'm changing the outfit. I don't like this outfit. It's not my thing. Oh, there's one busy. There's a room that's busy. Okay, so.
Well, in this walkthrough, I guess if you're Sydney, Sydney knows how to play the piano. But what if you're freaking not Sydney?
Yeah, we don't want to do. I think it's Cindy, yeah?
Cindy.
Yeah. Where are these? Make sure it's playing decisions, finish. I created the room. I'm gonna put the headset down. I'm gonna make myself another drink. Be right back.
All right. That's the red jewel. Where's the blue jewel? Help me, please!
Help me, please! Help me, please!
No, I'm trying to find this blue jewel. I cannot find. Oh, here we go. Oh,
Is that a good O?
this? No, it's a bad O.
Oh.
This walkthrough says, "Sorry guys, but Sydney is the only one that can play."
How do you play the piano then? You have to do it, Cindy. Okay, I'll take one for the team. I'll be Cindy. Oh well.
That's BS though. What if you play other characters? It's impossible to do the scenario.
I don't get it. Doesn't make sense. I don't know. I really don't. So weird.
That's not fair. That's not fair at all. What if you want?
Okay, Actually, I already started the game. Actually, I already started the game, so I can't change my character now. I already opened the lobby.
I'll do it.
Yeah, sorry.
I'll be Sydney.
It's
Like
Cindy.
that bullet. What do I keep calling her?
I don't know. You can Sydney. What are you saying, Sydney?
Sydney.
It's Cindy.
I'm gonna look at Cindy. Sydney. Look at one more just to.
That's weird that you can only play the piano, so you have to play as Cindy for sure. That's weird.
Yeah. Yeah, this
Glory,
I
I
never
have
walked
something
through.
to tell Vloggy and True.
Oh,
Kaharu's
Oh,
having
no.
the time of the life.
Koharu is going crazy over there. Okay.
Oh my goodness. And especially now that one of us is gonna be a Cindy.
Oh God, help us.
Help me, please!
There's Sydney. Yeah, I looked at another walkthrough and it also said Sydney's the only one. That's so bullshit. Only one
you're in,
character
yeah?
in this
You're in?
game. I'm in.
Okay, so starting.
All right,
the
I'm Sydney. I don't know what Sydney has, but something tells me I'm not gonna like it.
game. Oh man.
Hey, I'm a waitress. This should go well.
Kaharu is not here, so I have to tell you guys on some important information we discovered. Okay, Kaharu is not here.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
Where's Koharu?
I don't know. Look, it's Albert Wesker with geeky glasses. This is what it looks
We're
like.
done with you, Albert. We've seen you already.
It's Albert Wesker with glasses.
Too much
yeah, I've seen
growth.
it. But
Weak.
it's cool. It looks like Wesker, but with
It does look like Wesker.
spectacles.
Albert Wesker wearing his nerd goggles.
Look at the police station. Look at
Oh,
the police
man.
station. Oh,
We'll be
I
there.
look
We'll-
forward. I look forward to for us
We'll
us
be
playing
there.
in that game. So it's gonna be so cool. But anyway. A few
Okay.
hours later, Raccoon University. There we go. We're in the university.
Okay.
This is it. Look,
Blah, blah.
the university.
There we go. I don't know who that third guy is that's like leading us here.
What the what? Yeah, that's right. Oh yeah, it's Doctor.
Oh.
Because apparently he teaches at the university or something. I don't know.
Not anymore. School's canceled.
Kaharu is in love with both of you. Don't tell her we said this, but it's true. I already heard the
hold
door
on,
open.
I
I already heard the door open.
That's
Oh,
not fair.
the doctor. The doctor went through that door.
What?
Yeah, I saw the doctor going through this door on his own.
What?
But that's it. That's it. He's gone. That's it. He's just gone. So we start from this door. Do you know which door is the piano room? Oh.
Why? It's upstairs, right?
Yeah. You know what? We should try avoiding the zombies now. Maybe we can just make a run for it. Perhaps. I don't know.
Oh yeah, yeah. My character has a herb taste to hold herbs, so that's my special ability.
Whoa! Whoa! Watch out! Watch out!
Oh, that was quick. That was quick.
Come on! Aim!
Wait, it's a shot. Okay, I'm running. Okay, I see herb grabbing it.
Okay, good. Who got bit? Was it you or me? I forgot.
Me.
I'm like, what? Okay. Look at you, being Cindy.
Oh, Barry. Let's talk about Bloggy while he's gone. Bloggy will
No! Trying
Wait,
to see
did you
what.
go through a door?
Yeah, I'm trying to actually see what's this is. First aid spray. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Okay. Oh, somebody's coming.
Yeah, and I don't like that. There's a red herb
Oh,
here.
herb. I'll grab it. I'll grab it.
Oh, there's a
Put it in
zombie
my
here.
herb
There's a
box.
zombie here. Can we dodge? Can we
Okay.
dodge? Can we dodge? Ah, no, we didn't.
Oh, damn it. Damn it. My super character's trying to push this thing and she can't actually. No, damn it. Ah, stop trying
Okay.
to push it. I'm okay, but my super character keeps. I can't turn. Ah!
What's wrong?
Stop trying to push it. My
Push it
character's
real
trying to
good,
push
man.
It as I'm trying to get
Push
over
it real
Okay,
good.
I'm running. I'm running. Stupid character.
I went into first floor passage B.
Yeah, same here, same here.
Memo. Yes. 927 is all it says.
Oh, zombie, zombie, zombie. Keep running, zombie.
Oh, let's try this out.
Do it. Nuke him. I'm gonna collect all
Which
these
way is the zombie
herbs.
coming anyway?
I have no idea. He was following us. He should be right behind us.
Oh, I want to do this. No, not showing up. Oh, he's coming. Oh, wait for it. It's gonna happen. 1, 2.
Do it, do it, do it.
Oh, I zapped him.
Did you
I
get it?
zapped him. Yes, but I only hit one.
Nice.
I think I only hit one. Did I hit both of them? Oh, oops, I only hit one. I only hit one. I only hit one. Let's keep going. Which
go
door?
in the
Which door?
first
Which
room.
door? Okay, I'm coming.
Go in the first room.
Let's go.
Oh no! Oh no! This is the door.
I
This
can't
is
see with the
stupid
door.
hall.
I can't see with the door. Did we get bit? Oh man. Oh my goodness. I couldn't see with the door. I was getting bitten behind the door. I couldn't see myself
Oh
getting bit.
no! This is that's the stupid door with the broken handle that we can't go through. That was a waste of time.
Oh man, hang on, because I'm dying.
Oh no! You need herb?
Oh,
I got
oh,
herb.
oh, zombies chasing me! Help me, please!
I can't do anything.
No, it's fine,
My
it's fine, it's fine, it's
character's
fine.
a
it's fine, it's
loser. Look at my character cowers in fear. That's her attack. Damn it!
fine. What about this door?
Oh,
That's so funny.
Sydney
That's so
sucks.
funny.
I hate you, Sydney. This is why the ladies get a bad rep in the zombie apocalypse. For the characters like this, I need to play as like Jill. I need a badass.
Hang on, I think we need to read this. Region reaction. At this final stage, when it's all complete, we'll find have means to stop that wretched T virus. I heard about Umbrella's heinous dealings from an ex-head researcher named Greg. I wouldn't have been able to create this region without his expertise and assistance. Using fire research for a person in the game is unforgettable. We named this region Daylight. You didn't need an umbrella and then something about daylight.
Zombies coming. Zombies coming.
I'm coming, let's go. So what are we gonna do? Do you want to take care of the puzzle of the and while I try to hold off the zombies, perhaps?
Yeah, yeah. Oh no, there was one in here.
Kidding me?
Jesus. Okay, I gotta find this this switch we have to push. Okay, there's a zombie didn't come in. Here it is. Jeez.
Go now.
Okay, a zombie's coming in. Zombie's coming in. You have to take care of it. I gotta push this clock.
Try.
What? 325.
Yeah, it has to be 325 because we're playing on the same difficulty, so... I'm gonna get out of the room. I'm gonna watch the door from the other side. Okay?
Okay. I pushed it. It's not doing anything.
Did you push the switch?
I pushed the switch so the thing's glowing, and I got the keys where they're supposed to be,
So
but it's not doing anything.
I'm monitoring the door from the other side.
Okay. I'm gonna look at. Did I do something wrong?
I don't know what language you're speaking, Kaharu. I mean, and he Instagram into vloggy hinata. I have no idea. I
Oh
lost
my
you.
god.
I lost you. When you finally read chat, read everything carefully. What?
Take the red jewel from the bird. Oh, take the red jewel from the bird? Where is there a bird in here I need to steal this jewel from? I'm not sure they can make this puzzle just
There
a
was
little
a memo
more
earlier. There
annoying.
was a memo earlier which talked about Tornado 927. Well, that's all it says, the Tornado 927.
Oh, I think that's the
Oh, come on.
Oh, a zombie's in here! A zombie's in here!
And zombies the door just started shaking on its own and it opened and nothing came through.
Damn it, damn it, damn it.
I'm
damn
sorry, I'm coming. This is not making any sense. They just spawn. The door
Oh,
just
God, I'm in
shakes on
danger.
its own and the zombie just spawns in.
It. Oh!
It's not icy. I don't keep from the other end. There was nothing going in from the other end. You okay?
Yeah. Alright, I use herbs. Dude, we need to find a bird in here that has this red herb, apparently. Unless the bird is somewhere else. Take the red jewel from the bird, then leave.
I'm in danger.
Oh god, oh
This
god.
is not working out. This is not
here.
working out.
Leave. Okay, I'm gonna. Oh god, I'm gonna get killed in here. Yep, I'm down on the ground.
You're down on the ground. Wow, we didn't last long
Yep.
this time, did we?
I'm back up, But I can't get past these zombies. Oh yeah, now I'm down on the ground. I'm dead.
Are you really? Okay, see if I
Oh no, I'm still alive. Oh, I'm crawling.
I'm gonna see if I can help you up. Hang on. I'm limping as well, huh? Hey,
I
Francesco
can't.
Calero, welcome to the stream, buddy. We're not doing so good. We are messing up big time. I don't know what we need to do. We need to walk away.
I am. Yeah.
Oh my goodness, 3 zombies!
I-
No,
oh,
no,
boy.
we need to restart. It's not working out.
Yeah, that's not working.
No, it's not working. Nope, nope, nope. Can you make it out of the door?
Yep.
Kaharu's little in love with you both.
Damn it!
Oh my goodness, Kaharu.
I'm literally in the door being eaten by a zombie as the door closes. Now,
Oh, you're on the floor again?
no, I made it.
Ah, there you are. Run! Run! Can you run? I don't
Oh
think you
yeah.
can.
Well, not really. I'm limping. Are you like red? I can give you herb. I have 1 herb combo left.
It's fine, it's fine. Let's just keep moving for now. Let's just keep moving. Because the zombies running faster than we are. My goodness.
Jesus. Oh
Let's get
man.
outta here,
Oh,
let's
he's
get
fun.
outta here. Oh my goodness, this is
Oh.
messed up. I don't know what we need to do.
Oh.
Is there an
Oh.
infinite weapon?
Oh!
Is there an infinite ammo cheat in this one? It would be
Yeah,
easier.
I know.
Oh my goodness.
I found an antivirus pill on accident. It's
Yeah,
on the
it's
desk.
not. It's not. Keep moving because he's right behind you.
Oh, Kevin. Oh, he's gonna get me. Ow.
Oh, you're on
Oh,
the floor.
I'm down.
I'm
I think
coming.
I'm dead.
I'm coming.
Oh, no,
I'm on danger.
crawling. I'm on danger too.
Oh,
I have 1 more.
and
I
I'm
have
on
1
the floor
herb.
too. This is not
Let's
good.
just die. Let's die near each other.
No,
Hey,
I refuse
buddy.
to die. I refuse to die. Or
Bro!
no. Let's just die next to each other. Yes. I'm coming. I'm coming.
I just want you
I
to
love you,
know.
Drew.
Oh god, Kara's gonna watch this. Oh god, what's Kara?
So funny.
Oh, I'm about to be a zombie. 99, 100.
Oh my goodness. Oh man. I quit the game. I quit. Oh man. We need to
Yeah.
find a way. We need to find a way.
Yeah.
Exit. Let me see if there's a way we can do this with unlimited ammo. I don't know. Let's see if we can do that.
These walkthroughs are not helpful. They make it sound very easy, and it is not.
Wow. So hard. Okay. I want to check a few things. I want to see if I can actually do an infinite weapon ammo thing. Just for the fun of it. Because the save files, the single player save files actually have rocket launcher, infinite rocket launcher and all that stuff.
Oh, do they?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, my save file doesn't.
Let's see.
Hold on, I'm gonna watch this.
Sub window. What's this? Speaker list, search for user, mobile messages. Server select. Okay, Francesco, don't worry. Thank you so much for stopping by. You are cool.
Take care, Francesco. Oh.
What's this? Scenario mode and free mode. I don't understand what's this. Free mode and scenario mode. Let me see if I go on scenario. Let's see what happens.
I just watched a walkthrough, and this guy put it on like 3.
I'm gonna see what this is all about. Hang on.
Oh wait, no.
Connecting.
Oh no, he was playing. Oh man, this guy's soloing it on very hard. Jesus. He's a guy character. How's he doing the piano puzzle?
New game. Personal rank. Database. What's the database? What does it say?
Oh, nope.
Information. Terms of use. Nope. Personal rank. What if I do load game? Can I load a save file and you just join mine? Let's see. No. Select the scenario from beginning. Continue from the last session. No. New game. So where's it gonna take me? I'm gonna try something. Hang on. So I'm playing as Cameron.
Yeah.
I don't know what this is. No. This is stupid. I don't get what's going on here. It's like a lobby or something. What is this? What is this?
Hope this isn't Chris's blood. Oh, this guy lowered the statue's arm by pulling like a chain in some fireplace.
I don't get it. I don't get what this is. Scenario mode. Hang on. Try one more time. New game.
Shrine room.
Trying to see if there's a way I
Yeah.
can actually play with unlimited ammo. Would be fun. Kaharu subbed to you. I don't know if she means me or you, but thank you. I thank you if you sub to True anyway.
Oh, Kahara's going crazy over here. Okay, if we can find this room with this fireplace in it, you just pull this thing and it lowers the arm. I guess there's like multiple ways you can do it. I don't know why none of these walkthroughs ever said that. That'd be helpful.
I don't get this. Personal rank. What's this? Clear time. No. I don't get it. I don't think we can play together. I think.
Yeah.
He's like standing in a room on his own. It's like a lobby, kind of. But I don't know how to add people. Would be cool if we could.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give it one more try. Would be cool if we can play with unlimited ammo. I don't know. I don't know. End net play to the lobby screen, server select. No.
Oh, San Francisco. Ah.
Doesn't make sense. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. No. Return to the lobby top screen. No. Server select. Let's go. Let's go. It's not gonna work. I tried.
Okay.
I tried. Would have been
I
cool.
think I know how to do it.
You do.
And I don't think we need to play. I don't think we need to be Cindy either. This guy didn't. This guy's soloing it on very hard with this male character. Not even like the cop character, like the nerdy character.
Let's see. Okay, so I wish we could play with unlimited ammo, but I don't think that's a possibility.
Oh, Bellevue, Washington. I lived in Washington for a few years. I know where that is. Koharu.
Alright, so I'm creating another lobby. Let's give it another go.
All right. One more try.
Can you imagine if we played this? Can you imagine if we played this on the? Should one of us has to be Cindy? I'll be Cindy.
No, I don't think we do. That's the thing. I
Oh,
think
okay.
if we find this guy. The video showed a guy. We used to go upstairs. I know the room he went into.
Okay. So we're watching a
We're gonna do
video.
Yeah. And it was on very hard. So damn, if that guy can solo it on very hard, a couple badasses like ourselves can do it on easy.
Alright, I created the lobby if you want to join. Anytime.
Okay, I am coming in.
No rush.
Got
Let's
my
give
boy
this one
Mark.
last try. Let's give
Help
this.
me! Help
Help me, please! Come on, we can do
Help.
this. I don't
do
think,
this, we can do
I
this.
don't think we're gonna beat this scenario, but I think we're gonna get closer this time. There's a point
Yeah, I think-
where the tyrant is gonna chase us in every single room,
Oh,
including the
God.
hallway, the main hall. He's gonna chase us even
Oh,
there. Yes, and he runs. He runs. That's what I remember from this game. He runs, and I think we can stun him with the electric thing. You know when we push the button and it zaps him.
oh yeah.
We can do that for sure.
Okay, we can start it up for me.
Here we go. Poof.
We can do this. We can do this. Or at least if we get past the stupid moose eyes, that's progress.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're
I'm
gonna
worried
go
about the zombies.
upstairs.
I'm worried about the zombies. They keep coming in. They keep respawning. They're not
I
giving us a
know.
chance. It's.
But at least we have two big characters and not the girl whose defensive move is cowering into a ball.
My goodness, that's so funny.
I
There's
was
another
scared.
character, Jim. His defensive move is actually lying down on the floor playing dead, but his fire starts going up like crazy.
What the hell?
But he does that in order to avoid zombies, because apparently zombies ignore you when you're on the floor. So
Oh,
he
that's
can
pretty
do
good.
that to
This-
avoid zombies, but your
this
virus.
guy, this video I saw, he hid under a bed.
Oh
in
wow!
this room. But I bet my fat ass character can't do that.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, that's right.
Okay, let's go upstairs.
There you go. I just saw the doctor going in again. So let's start from this room. Oh, hang on. True.
Wait,
Why
where?
don't we just go to this room first, the one we started last time, because this room was safe anyway. And we collected some
Yeah, got
stuff.
it.
I remember collecting some stuff from here, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay.
I hope I'm not wrong. But I remember this was the room with the elevator.
Oh, okay.
And I think we collected the password earlier as well.
Yeah, Kuhara, I know where that is.
So let me check this real quick. Activate the elevator. We can't because we don't have. That's okay. And these rooms
Oh
are
yeah, there
safe.
were items.
Yeah, and these rooms are safe for now.
Should be.
Oh, there's a
ammo in
pipe.
the
There's an
locker.
iron pipe. I'll take it because ammo was a bit lacking, I think.
Okay, got a herb here. You can't fit. It's too narrow. Sorry, I'm fat.
You are a fat ass. It's locked with a simple lock, but I can't do that. So this one.
Got a
nothing.
red herb.
Alright, so the elevator. I think we need to find a way to call the elevator. And I think earlier we did collect the password. We just ignored the memos.
Oh.
Because at one point we collected
Yeah.
a memo. But I think we just ignored
Yeah.
it.
Okay, I got the lighter.
Yeah,
I
I
guess we're done
got a pipe. I'm coming.
Ah.
So I'm gonna follow you now, and I'll have your back. I'll try my best to have your back.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let me go upstairs.
I don't have my gun equipped. Hang on, let me put my gun in case.
Oh.
If I'm gonna have my your back, I need to be equipping the gun.
Oharu. I am in California. SoCal. Go up here. Oh, there's something. There's first aid spray on the table. if you
Yeah,
want.
let's pick that up. I'm sure we're gonna need
I
it.
got a redder greener pick. Oh, and I picked up the lighter. I don't know where you need
What
that
about the
for.
lighter? What do we need that for? So weird.
Give me something weird that I won't realize it. Oh, red and greener.
Oh, pick them up. Yeah, pick those up.
I'll
I'm
mix
gonna make a dance.
Damn it! Damn it! Mixing. There we go. All right, that dancing was so good it was distracting.
Of course. There's only one door up here. There's nothing to be confused of.
Yeah. It's this door.
Oh,
I hope
I'm getting memories running up the stairs and running around this corridor and the Tyrant chasing me and there's no way to stop him. I remember that.
Oh no.
Yeah,
Oh, no.
get ready for that because. Alright, hang on. Ooh, here we go. He's down. No, he's not! My goodness! Oh, come on. He's not aiming.
That guy's. What the hell? I think there's something under here.
Yeah, I was gonna push. I don't think you
Well,
because I'm standing there. Go ahead now.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Trying. Character's
working?
not wanting to push. He does not want to push.
Okay.
Okay, maybe try from here.
Let me try myself.
Oh.
I think a
You
zombie
don't
came
need
in.
to.
Be careful. Iron pipe again. I found another iron pipe.
Oh.
You want one? Do you want one?
Yeah. Let's just go here.
I'm coming.
I think it's this door. Maybe the
Careful.
first door on the left. Yeah. Oh, there's a zombie. Oh, just run in.
Okay, I did. Other daddy, where do you live? I live in Europe. I am on a teeny tiny island on the Mediterranean. It's called Malta. Oh, these are the glasses. You see, these reveal. So if I pick up the glasses, thank you very much. I can give you the pipe if you want. You want me to give you the pipe?
Oh, okay. Yeah, sure.
I'll give you my pipe. Present.
Give me that
I am
pipe.
presenting you with my pipe.
Oh, yes.
Okay, what's
Wait,
this?
it doesn't
What's
make
this?
sense. This guy went in the room
There's an
and there was
antivirus
like a...
pill, but it's too early for that.
Yeah, you might... Well, it slows it the same, right? You might as well use it now.
Yeah, so I'm gonna pick up the herb. So
Wait.
what do we do in this room? Oh, a zombie came in. Hang on, I'll take care.
no.
Let me.
Oh, wait, here. Come in this room. Come in the further back room.
I'm coming. Wow, man, this is so intense.
Oh, this better be the stupid room. Oh, this is it. This is it.
Room. Yeah, okay. Oh, have we been in this room? Does it look familiar?
I don't think we have.
What's that? What just happened?
I lowered it. I lowered the arms. Now we can get
Watch
that
out, the zombie
blue.
came in. Watch out, the zombie's coming in.
Oh, just run.
Okay, I'm coming in. I'm going
Go
in.
past it.
Okay, I'm coming.
Damn it. Why can't I walk through this door?
He's leaving. Whoa.
Oh, that's not a door. What are we running into?
Let's handle it.
Candle. Back up off us. There's a pipe team over here.
There's a pipe beam over here. Okay, we handled him. I'm gonna take care
Oh,
of
there's
this one.
something under there.
I'm gonna take care of this one. Hang on.
Oh, there's something under there, but I think you need to get it.
Ooh, did you see that?
That's sick. Okay, there's something under that bed.
Go get
but
it,
My
hang on.
character's too fat.
Handgun magazine. I'll take it. Okay.
Go hard.
I'm not sure what it does though. It's a handgun magazine, but
Handgun magazine? What does that mean?
I can't
Oh.
combine it. Check it out. I'm gonna give it to you. Hang on. Present.
A handgun magazine reload
Yeah, check it out.
What the hell?
I've never seen anything like that. I mean, I don't know what it
That's
does.
interesting. Just gonna trade the pipe.
See if it makes me. Oh, zombie came in.
Oh, let's just run. Let's just run. We gotta
to
save
where?
some ammo. Oh, it's 2. Let's just go around. Go circle. Go circle. You gotta get out of this room. Just get out of the room. We're done
I'm
here.
getting out of the room.
Run
Are
out
you
of the
sure
room.
we're done? It's like we
Oh
saw
my
something.
god.
It's blocked by something. Oh my goodness!
Oh, I got
Oh
it.
my goodness!
I got it. It's open. It's open. It's open.
Yeah, but the zombies obstructing the.
Oh no.
Wow.
Did you get out?
Yeah,
Did you get out?
I did. Wow.
Okay. Okay.
This is intense.
Is there anything in here we can get before these zombies like bum rush us?
I don't know. What about this? Oh, they're coming in already. I'm out of here.
All right, let's go. Screw it. Oh no! Damn.
It's all about the dodges, and it's hard. And they're everywhere.
Damn. Ease up off me, zombies. Ease up off me. Oh my god.
Thank you very much.
I'm gonna put the glasses on the statue so it reveals the door. Use.
Jesus Christ! Get off of me!
You need a hand. I think you do.
I'm alright, I'm getting out. Jeez, those zombies. They're double teaming me.
The door is opening again. Zombies are coming out. Oh my
no.
goodness! You need help.
Whoa! What the hell?
Be careful! Go through the door. The one I just revealed. Oh my goodness! You need help.
Alright.
Go through the door.
Oh, jeez.
Wow, man. So what did we just do in that room? I think we just did something, but we didn't collect the reward. I think.
That room lowered the arm
Oh, the
so
statue.
that I could get that. Yeah. Oh, I think this handgun magazine makes it so my character can actually reload.
Right away instead of reloading one bullet at a time.
Yeah, they're making it. I guess that explains why they make it super annoying to reload. They make it super realistic.
Okay.
Dude, does your daughter have someone right now? Cara's going crazy with these stories.
Karu, you better behave. There's something on the floor.
Okay, so now we can get
bullets.
the blue one.
I think I can use these. Combine. Nope, you can have them. They're not mine.
Oh yeah, I see you.
Where is it?
Have mine. Here, I'll give you the lighter.
Thank you, that's useful. I'm kidding. Let's go. You okay health-wise? You're on caution.
I'm on caution, but I have a blue and
Okay.
green are mixed, so I'll take one more hit, then I'll use it.
Come on!
Vloggy, does your
I'm
daughter
coming.
have someone already? My daughter? What you talking about? My
Oh,
daughter.
Guara's
What?
got a whole backstory.
What?
Look at the daughter!
No, I don't. I want to say I wish, but I don't wish that either.
Yeah, I know.
Tornemo,
sounds like a lot of
161 it
responsibility.
says. The Tornemo says 161. I don't know what that is, but...
Okay. Okay, we just gotta get to... We know where the blue herb is. Or the blue herb. Blue, whatever.
Blue.
And the red one, now we know how to get it. I think. We can make it back to that room alive.
Watch out!
Jesus.
I don't have anything to defend you with. Let's run.
You don't have any ammo?
Nothing.
Oh,
Oh
jeez.
wow,
we
you
gotta get ammo.
should heal up, dude.
Oh yeah, I'm in danger. Okay, I'm fine. I am officially fine. Oh, red herb here. Oh, here. Well, I don't know why I'm taking it. Here, you can take it.
I found something
Fine.
here. Hang on. I found handgun rounds, and I think they're not mine. You can have them.
Oh, well, here. Just trade me for this red herb then.
Hang on.
Oh, well, here. Just trade me for the lighter back.
I gave you my pipe.
Oh, nice. Vloggy's pipe.
You got my pipe.
Oh, what are you giving me?
Sorry.
Thank you.
My bad. Not present. Stop presenting.
Please help!
All right, we're good. You see, this one says, a bronze statue of the third president. She seems to have been a broad-minded person. How can you tell that from a bust? But anyway. We probably need to find them. You and True are husbands. Koharu's your daughter. I don't think so. True is not my type. True is not my type. I like them with more boobies, less hairy.
Yeah. Very different. Oh my god. The whole family I didn't know about. Okay, zombies about to bust through this door. Oh, first aid.
Come on. Stop pushing!
Uh-oh, zombie.
I found the first aid spray. Let's get out of here. Or whatever. Where are we going?
We're going the zombie.
This
The way
way?
the zombie game. Yeah, go, go,
I
go.
went in.
Damn it, now we need to find those stupid rooms that we found before.
Oh, zombie again. Be careful. Just run past them.
Oh, no.
Just run.
Okay, running. Ooh,
We need to find the moustache for
that.
that bust. Don't forget the moustache.
Find the moustache.
Moustache.
Mustachio.
Oh no!
Okay. Now, why can't we find those stupid rooms that we always found when we didn't need to find
Maybe
them?
it's this door?
Reloading real fast. That door?
Maybe this door? I don't know. Let's go.
Yeah.
Come on!
Oh, I think this looks familiar.
Oh yes, we go past here, and that's the room with the
With the clock, yeah. Do you know how to do this? The clock?
Yes, yes. If it actually works the way it's supposed to. Okay, going in. And there might
I'm coming
be.
I'm gonna see if I can hold the door from this side now. I'm gonna try protecting the door from this side.
Damn it.
Oh man, they came in.
This better work. All right, Kuharu, relax.
Is it working?
Okay, I pushed the button. To make
Oh, they're coming, they're coming, they're coming!
Whoa.
Oh. I got two. Oh, I'm dodging them. I'm
Three.
going around the table. And I can be okay doing that. I'll be fine doing that.
I don't understand. I'm gonna try other combinations because these numbers aren't working. I'm gonna try
So strange.
channel 5.
I'm going around the tables avoiding the zombies. It's so funny. Come
Channel
on.
5 doesn't
Come
work.
on.
740. $40 doesn't work.
I'm keeping these zombies occupied. Going around the table.
250.
Come on.
I don't know what to do.
Oh, I don't.
None of these combinations work.
So strange. We must be missing something.
Okay, I'm looking at the memo. That's definitely a 0. 3.
Whenever you're gonna go out, let me know so I can lure them away from the door.
5. I'm gonna try it one more time, but if this doesn't work, then there's no point.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Oh, wait.
Oh my goodness, I think a zombie's coming into your... Because your door is shaking, even though there's nothing.
I did
nothing.
it. I did it.
You did it! What did you do?
I
think a
did it.
zombie's
I was
coming
putting
in.
it on the wrong time because I'm an idiot.
I think a zombie's coming in. Be careful, because I saw your door
Yep,
open
yep,
on
yep.
its own. I didn't even see
Yep,
a
zombies
zombie
in there.
knocking. Yeah, get out of there.
I'm leaving.
Yes, I'm luring them. I'm luring zombies away from the door you're coming through. So now's your chance. Come in. Come in.
I'm coming.
Are you out?
I'm out and I'm running.
Okay.
I'm running.
This way.
Let's
This
go.
way. This
Leave
way.
this
This way.
room.
Go. 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 Go.
Go.
Did you make it?
I made it. I made it.
Entrance hall. That's good. So what did the door? What did the clock reveal then?
The clock revealed the red
Oh,
thing in
okay.
the center.
Okay. So,
Yeah, so now we got
what
the
was
red
the time?
eye.
What were we doing with the time?
It was 3:25, but I realized I kept setting it to 2:25 for some reason. I'm like, why isn't this working?
I am 100% sure that I was setting it to 325 before, huh? And it wasn't working.
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, can you put the
oh,
moose
yeah.
sockets in there?
Yeah.
It's behind the staircase.
We gotta go find the bluer one.
Yeah.
There we go. Red
There
eyes
you go.
in.
Awesome. Now, somebody's going up the stairwell.
Where's the blue?
Is it up
Blue one upstairs?
I think it's upstairs. Yeah, I think it's upstairs.
I want to say it's upstairs.
Yeah, but be careful because there's one zombie roaming around. Oh, be careful.
Oh, yeah,
be careful. He's heading our
Oh,
way.
she's turning.
She's
She's quick. She's quick.
Yeah,
Damn
she's a
it.
turbo zombie.
Oh! Dang.
Thank goodness for
Turbo
long.
slash lag zombies.
Thank goodness for long hallways because it gives you plenty of area to run, you know, and to dodge. It's kind of wide.
Yeah.
Is there anything here? Are we seeing anything here? No. Okay, do we go through this door then?
Car. I think it's the only door up here, right?
Let's go. Yeah.
But yeah, instead of taking that first door on the left, I think we just go further down. Something like that.
Let's see. Do we push this one already?
I think we did, because we were like
Yeah.
competing on pushing it.
Okay, so.
Oh.
Oh no, not this again.
I don't see it.
They're
I don't wanna
pushing.
run
They're
into
pushing doors. Run! Ooh, wow, that dodge!
it. Holy crap!
This door,
Oh,
this door,
dodge.
this is the door, I think.
Come on!
No, that's the door we were just in.
Are you sure? Really?
Yes, that's the door that led us to the other rooms.
Okay,
That
I'll
was the
come
first
out. I'll
left.
come out. Yeah, I'll come out.
I'm coming in the art safe room. Go right across the hall. Straight across the hall. I don't know if this is it. This is the room we need to be in. It's
Opposite,
piano
the
room.
door opposite where I came through. The one.
Yep.
Okay, I'm
Straight
coming.
away. Yep. And I see the blue herb.
I have to dodge again. I have to dodge.
Ah.
Dodge, buddy, dodge. Ooh, that
I got it,
dodge
I
is
got it.
amazing.
Okay, we don't even need to go in here. Just go back down to the moose.
Okay. Well, I just came in. That's all right. Make your way. I'll find you. Oh, there you are. I see you. Ooh,
Yep.
the zombie just came in. Ah, so awesome.
Oh no.
I saw you leaving, and I.
We're playing musical doors. Musical. Oh, there's a zombie out here too. Running,
Yes,
running,
just run,
running.
just run. Yeah, we're fast. This game is awesome, huh? Even though it's incredibly hard, this scenario, but it's awesome.
Yeah. Hit.
Check out what Kohara just said about you.
I don't know about that.
I think it's time for a shirtless stream through.
Oh, shirtless face. So you can see this skinny, pale body. Get out of here.
You got no excuse to be pale. You live in California. You can go.
I
tan.
know, really. Yeah. I have an awesome farmer's tan, not a good overall tan.
Come on, put the thing in. Put the thing in.
I'm putting the thing in, Vloggy. All right.
I think it
I'm
unlocks
putting
this
the
door.
thing
Ooh, look at that.
in.
Is it done?
Oh.
Look at this!
I'm done.
Ooh, you do the honor. You go in first because this was all
Oh
you.
god. That's Tyrant risked my head off.
Yeah, I'm starting to think that it could be that, huh? No, I think we're far away from the tyrant still. Ooh, wow, I don't remember being in this room,
Oh.
I think. Hang on.
That's a lot of creepy writing on the wall.
Yeah, but it doesn't make sense. Nothing doesn't make any sense. Are we safe down
Okay, I
here?
see I don't hear anything.
Ooh, look at all the items glowing. Ooh, hang on. Same time at the study room. Cutscene.
Oh, I think we got a cutscene happen.
Wesker.
Help.
Not Wesker.
Oh. That's some other nerd.
Sound alert. Okay, so I hope the zombie doesn't wake up.
Yeah, I know.
Torn
It's gonna
memo,
be like
yes.
one of those-
Okay, changed elevator code. I have the elevator code. We're done.
Yes.
I have the elevator code. I know which door we need to go through. Books are piled up here.
Pile
Okay,
of
we're good.
memos.
No ammo? Seriously?
Oh, do
no
we-
ammo?
Do we need to know this stuff? I see V poison.
I don't know.
T-blood,
Region components.
T-base.
P-base, V-voice. Wow.
Oh boy, that looks like a lot of stuff that I don't know.
Wow. I don't know.
Oh, this guy's memo says, "I'm a dead man. Hurry and create the Regent. The Regent incubator in the lab. Click the 3 ingredients and set them in the incubator. The rest is ineligible." And
All right. So yes, it looks like a lab where we're gonna go now with the elevator. So
What's-
we made some good progress, huh? Oh, I found an antivirus. You can have it. Take it. Take it. You eat it.
Well, what are you at? What are you at?
I'm at 21.
Oh, I'm at 30. Yeah, I
Yeah,
should
take
probably
it.
have
Take it. Take it, buddy. Oh, there's another one here. Might as well have one each then.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Pick up the other one on the other side.
Oh, okay.
I'll eat it. Nom, 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 nom.
Yummy, yummy.
Oh, there's more of them actually. No,
What?
there's another one. Recovery medicine, but it's not.
Oh, that's not it.
No, it's not.
That's just a health.
I think we're done here then.
Oh, I guess. So, well,
I
how the
have
hell
the
does that
password
help
for
us?
the elevator. I have the password for the elevator.
Oh, the elevator. Okay.
Follow me. I know my way now.
Alright, we're making progress.
Yes, we're making progress. But again, not to be pessimistic, but I feel like we're still far away. I hope not. Well, this was all you. We got this far because of you. I don't know how. I didn't even see you completing the clock puzzle, first of all. So I don't know what you did. I didn't see you picking up the arm from. So
Oh yeah,
his arm was actually lowered. The hand.
it's in that room with the that you crawled under the bed.
Okay.
There's a fireplace that has a red and a blue pulley, and you pull
Okay.
the blue one to lower it. I don't know what the red one does, but
Interesting. I wonder what the red one
the
does.
blue one does that.
Okay. So we're gonna put in the passcode. Hang on, I need to check the files. Now.
Oh.
So, Tornado says is it 161? Okay, zombies coming in. Careful. 161.
Oh,
The other
crap.
one says
Loading.
161 and 4161. So it's 4161. Let's take care of the zombie first. Here we go. Hang on. Okay, 4161. I'm gonna be fast. You gotta go fast.
Oh, another one! Another one! I got you! Don't touch him! No, they're both getting up.
One.
Jesus.
6 1. Got it. Let's go. Run. Never mind the zombies. Let's go. Calling the elevator. Bing. Yes. Okay, which floor? Okay, wow, so many floors. Let's start from B to F.
Ah, I'm not on the elevator!
I don't like the elevator. Reminds me of the hospital again. No.
B to F.
Go to B to F. Yes.
I don't know what floor we're on, so we don't go to it.
There you are. Welcome,
Hey.
buddy. How are you health-wise? You're on caution.
I'm alright. Dude, this
I have a
handgun
first aid spray.
magazine
Have it.
doesn't
Present. I have a first aid spray. Take it.
Oh, okay.
Let's go. What's this? Pesticide spray. What for? What for?
Oh, is that
Oh,
for-
I know what for. Fantastic. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Combine. No, doesn't work. So what does it do? Hang on. There's a
Contains
spray.
pesticide.
Contains pesticide. I don't know why I picked it up. I thought I was gonna combine it with the lighter and do a stunt, but
Oh, wait. Is that the
I don't know what it does. I don't know why.
P base? Is that one of those three things we gotta combine?
Does it say? I don't know. I can equip it
mean,
like it's a gun.
Oh, wow. The Regent is...
Ah, there's George. Look at George. He's on the floor.
What? Hey, you.
I do have a face cam, Koharu. But it's not on right now. Oh, it's just a recovery medicine.
He's
Another
not-
antivirus. There's another antivirus. Maybe we can eat it later. What's over here?
Surrounded by it. Jeez. Oh, there's two antiviruses.
Yeah.
How long does the an antivirus we were taking last?
Let's check out
Oh.
the door. And there's a manhole opener. Opener.
Yeah,
there's a manhole we can go down to.
to.
Yeah, let's go to the store. I do have a face cam, though it's not on right now. But there are streams that I have the cam on. That was when was the one I did with the shots?
The shot, yeah, that was just 3 days ago.
3 days ago. There you go. There's a first aid spray here.
There's another handgun
There's a
magazine.
big
here.
big shutter here.
I'm just gonna switch it out because it's free ammo. Leave my. I left an empty magazine there, so when you see it, it's just an empty.
This water.
Oh, is
I
that-
can't go any further. The water is too deep. It's okay.
The first aid spray. I'm gonna trade it out for my stupid broken pipe. You going swimming? Help me!
No. Help me.
Help me! I can't swim.
Okay, what about over
that
here?
it?
What's over here? Oh, look at this! Look at this nice view, nice bridge.
Oh,
I like
let me
this.
see it.
Is that a shark? Are those sharks in the distance?
Whoa! What the hell?
Run,
That's a
buddy,
shark.
run! Run!
What the
run!
hell?
Make a run for it. There's sharks. No
Eagle.
way! Run!
Shark.
Oh no! Oh no! I got
Get out of
lost
the
in the water.
Get out of the water! Get out of the water! I can't help you. I don't know what to do.
I know. What the heck is going on? What do I do?
Run! Just run like swim? I don't know.
I'm
Get away
swimming.
from him. Holy crap!
No way! Sharks! No, I don't. I
Go
think you're
ahead.
wasting ammo. I think we just need to dodge them. Run!
Oh,
Run!
Crap.
We need to make it to the other side for sure. Be careful.
I'm in the water. I'm definitely in the water.
Swim, swim. Press X to swim. I think it's X or 0. But there's, I think it's the sprint button. The one you use to sprint.
I'm going. Oh, there we go. There we go.
I made it. Wow, that was intense. I made it. Wow. I don't remember making this. I don't remember swimming.
What's
this.
over there?
There's like a staircase that goes up. It's like one of those.
Jesus! I got pushed in again. Oh my god, I am in trouble.
Are you there yet?
I gotta swim all the way back here.
Yeah, be careful. Let me see if I can distract them, perhaps.
I gotta figure out the
I'm
pattern.
gonna try to
of,
distract them. Hold on. See if I can do that.
Ow.
Sharks.
Where am I? Oh! I'm being eaten!
What? What? No way. You've been eaten?
Oh!
No way. Really?
I got eaten.
No way.
I can only swim so fast. I can't do it.
No way. Okay, I think I got eaten too now. Oh, yes, I got eaten too. I just got eaten too. Because I tried to save you. I jumped into the water so I can save you. Oh, that was awesome. That was so awesome. So
Yeah,
cool.
Evil sharks.
That's so awesome. And I'm glad we made it this far. I mean, I don't know.
Yeah.
Do you want to give it another go or you want to save it for next time? It's up to you. No
I'm
pressure.
gonna have to save it for next time.
Yeah, sure. That was so awesome,
Yeah,
man. That was so
This is
cool.
gonna be a long one. I can tell. I want to come
Yeah.
into this fresh, and ready to destroy
Yeah,
it
I
next
will.
time.
I will actually watch a walkthrough of this one as well. So,
Yeah.
that was so cool, man. That was so cool.
That was good.
Like
Damn.
it feels like it's a one-hit KO. It's like it's
Yeah,
random.
I think there's a pattern to when they push you in that you can avoid though, because they like kind of stir the water,
Aw,
and maybe if you
man.
like stop or back up, you don't get the actual push in.
I made
think
it
that might
the
be
other
it.
side. It was so cool. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I look forward to playing this with you again. So
yeah.
cool. And you see how long we've been playing. It didn't freeze this time. The game for none of us. So
Yeah,
it had to be
it's that
something with that
level.
scenario. It had to be something with that
Yeah.
scenario for sure. So weird.
All right.
All right, buddy. That was awesome. That was awesome. I
That
look
was
forward-
great.
I have a
Good
nerd
time,
block to
bud.
open. Hopefully, I'll record a nerd block today.
Oh.
Yes.
Yeah.
Should I do a live stream of me unboxing it, or should I just record a video? I don't know.
Oh, I'd watch it live. Like, you know, give a little Twitter heads up. I'll be there if I'm like
I'll
there.
think about it.
But
I'll
hey,
think
it's up to you.
I'll think
Both
about
your live and your video logs are both really good. So you got the best of both worlds there.
it. All right, buddy. You go get some rest. I think I'm gonna get
yeah.
some rest too as well. Actually, I'm gonna go back to bed. It's almost 11 a.m. here.
Almost 11 a.m. It's getting
Going
it's
back
getting
to
a little
bed.
late for vlogging.
Going back to bed.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for everyone that
Alright.
hung out with us.
Yeah,
I don't know.
thanks,
I don't know
everybody.
who's left. I don't know who's left here, but
I think
Kaharu's here for sure.
Kaharu's it. Kaharu's the lost survivor.
Thank you, everyone. I have no idea how long have we been streaming? Hang on. Let's see. I don't know. Doesn't say. Or does it? Hang on. Doesn't say. Oh, 3 hours 38. Wow, that was a long one.
All right.
That's what
oh,
she
I'm
said.
still here. Okay. Adios, everybody. Thanks for
Thank
everybody
you
that
so
came.
much.
Very,
See
very
you next
twice
time.
all those good people.
That was fun. See ya. Bye. Boop.
Boop, boop, boop.